going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, this man here plays one of Toronto's hottest songs right now, especially in the pandemic. He's seen something, and he went for it, and he got it. When it came to MCing skills, he was at one time one of the hottest MCs on planet Earth possible. All right. You know, we have in the building today, we have POLLY famous new legend in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Yo, boss, you know me there, do fams. Yeah, man, you know the thing go.
You know everything.
So, yeah, man's an affair, you know?
Yeah.
You have me on the show and things, so you don't know we're good, you know?
Come on, bro.
Yeah, man, we're good.
From
life
them time there.
Yeah,
you
man,
know.
life is good.
Yes, man.
Can't complain.
Definitely. Usually, I start off the program by asking people where they grew up and all that stuff, but we done already. Yeah, you represent St. Mary.
Yes, brother. Everybody know that. We don't hide and talk.
Yeah.
That I'm me. You see me, I say St. Mary, I'm me, St. Mary. Anyway.
All right.
Yeah, man.
So then what I got to ask you then, what actually attracted you to music then?
Well, I want to tell you, St. Mary is a musical parish. I don't know, because back in the days, basically, for me as a youth growing up, there was always dance going on in my community. You understand? There's always sounds around in my community. So me as a youth where me just hear the noise and like it. You understand? Me have a uncle to them tiny too. You know, he's a music man too.
Yeah.
Man, I love them music. So the music just find me.
Yeah.
You understand? It find me. Like, you know, that I was chosen. That's the difference, you know. Enough man running a music running a me. You understand me? I say, what if them understand the difference?
100%.
Yeah, man.
You didn't choose it, it chose you.
Yeah, man, it find me. Me get a calling for play music.
What was your first move then? Did you actually look to join a song, build a song? What was your first movements for POLLY?
All right, my first move was, there was a bridge next door my yard now, we have a son. You see me, I say, big up Father Judge. You see me? He was a man where do him you know, in a Jamaica the terminology, science man, rubber man, not the place. You understand? So that the man in all decide, say, yo, I got build a little sound for the youth them in the community, you know, guys. The man them just there every day and you see me make my bag of nice and out there. So at the age around 12, 13, you know, the general start build a little sound named Tornado.
Okay.
Yeah, man, we start off from a little 1 box, 2 box here, you know, like 2 amps there and Ray until the thing does get serious. You know, general decides, say, yo, I like one door, I can build a big sound, go no, so the man just build a quick 2 wall, big 2 wall, you know, Jamaica already, when you have 2 big wall and we have, them days we used to have 1 arms rack. We have a big 5,000 crown amps in it, with big 3,000 QFC a clap. We have to expand and, you see me, man, yo, we know the thing, brother. So we are come from the grassroots of this, brother. We steal on them a clap on top. You see me, I say? So, at this, everything starts with POLLY famous.
Okay, you're saying Tornado. What year are we talking about here?
We're talking about 1993.
93. Okay, so this is early 90s.
Yeah, man, early 90s, man. 93, I come up, 94. You see me, I say? Me used to do a little thing before that, you know, because me a little youth where I always in my community. Rest in peace to my brother Harry. Used to have a little sound named Megaforce. In the community, we used to, you know, we got DJ, we got stage show go on in the community, we used to go DJ over there, so, but nothing, never really serious there, so, until I go over to Tornado. Now, I started the thing serious.
Yeah. Okay, and what were some of your early moves on Tornado? Were you guys looking to juggle, clash, area song, or what was it?
I want to tell you, so we start off as a round robin sound, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and I don't have enough people familiar with the term round robin. Round robin is a term of, we playing all hits, but goodies. So we used to get the round robin them, the people them who show the round robin, and we get the party them for play. So we fully book. But all it's we play. We play new music, you know, but it was more of a studio one. You know, me I say Lovers Rock. And, you know, we're going at the scare more time. But then when it touching at the man, now we touch some soca and then we touch the new thing them. So it was always a versatility, you see me I say? A versatile style of playing. So it was a juggling thing.
And this time you guys are kids playing old school music as in studio one or whatever you're playing.
Man. Yeah, man, we are young youth. Them time, you know, man, a star in them community. Because we got to school them time and I play sound. And that was a big plus for we. You see me, I say, them can't chat to you. You got to school, you are done. Man, I play sound a weekend time, you see me? Worse when all a big sound come from, you see all we take a little time and graduate from the round robin, you know. People start to say, yo, but them boy are bad, man. We could bring them a 2 party. So we start get a little chance now. We start string up getting some sound now we neighborhood and some sound from out of town. You understand? We start to be a good look.
Okay, what were some of the earlier songs that you actually got to play with at that time there?
Yeah, man, at them time, I get to play alongside. You have a sound now, a place named Atlantic one. It's a big sound them time.
Highgate.
Yeah, man, have Taurus. You see me, I say have Integra. You see me, so we start off in our community and then we start getting juggle alongside some town sound like Super Sledge. You know, me I say we play alongside what's the name? Metro Media. We play alongside we play with Stone Love, man. We play alongside all bass of this brother. You see me, I say so we are going good. We not look nowhere. We just a juggle and all we lane.
Keeping it juggling.
Yeah, man. I will play against enough little unknown sound. Some sound named Champion Star, Trans Star. Some sound from Holy Town sound we play alongside, man. Enough sound we play. Some sound from Portland, Heartbeat. You see me? And the sound used to get a lot of out-of-town dates. So we used to go play against all some sound. Ice, them days them used to be a Million International. True Love down in St. Elizabeth. So, yeah, man. We had the road, man.
Okay, and what were you doing on the song? Were you selecting? What were you doing at this time here?
If you tell you the truth now, me start off as a little box boy upon the sound, you know, and he fuck the box them, you know. And then me have a friend now who play the sound named Tot, named Nero. Me and him go see him school them time, we used to go to Intl Technical, and he say to me, say, yo brother, a box you want to lift? I say, what kind of box, man? Man, I say, yo, Bridget, and enough to pay attention, man. So I say, all right, then. So him start, go boom now, and when we go early, because we have a top selector them work, you know. Because so something got Jamaica, you know, so you have a early one selector them. So most one I may not know be the man we know. When him put the tune on the turntable and pass it, I mean, wipe it off and put it back in a case and make sure, say, yo, everything organized. So I make sure, say, the box them organized, the dub box organized, the record box them organized. So when the big man them forward later, everything up on point. Not no miss. So friend of man drop your record them, he knows that this of them there. So that's how me start off, I wipe off and put on. So till him start me say, yo brother, put on the record on the turntable. You see me I say, start put on the record on the turntable. Take me little time. Then you know it the eagle and a shake. You see me I say, start put on the eagle on the turntable. And that's how it start. Then start till the dog I tell me say, yo brother, I feel like I talk a phone, you know, because he's a man who love to chat, you know. Because you don't know me as a youth, that me always a chat. So man I say, brother, you fi chat to Mike in a bridging. No worry about this, man. You fi chat to Mike. And from that, the man just start, yo, early one, go and talk a phone. I'm just start right there, so.
All right. And when you got to the song Tornado, what was your name at this time here?
Well, my name is Famous.
Famous at that time.
Yeah,
so how did you even get the name POLLY Famous then?
All right. So I go to school and now I have a cousin. You see me? He said to me, say, yo, me done. You move like the brother, you never show them time there. I can't remember exactly which one of them in I don't. I know I mean if Untouchables are one of them show the way. Uncle POLLY in I show. I would then call him. You know we as Jamaica, I never POLLY, you know. A POLLY. You see me I say? Yeah, because Uncle POLLY in the show was the bad man in the show, and man I say, dog, you move like the brother, you know. Because you know we are gangster from school days and we go on the antics and we badness them. So man I said to me, say, yo brother, you always move like the brother, you know, dog. You know, say a POLLY Famous if you name. No, POLLY Famous if you name. We don't know where Jamaica, we chat bad. So man say, POLLY. Yeah, and from trust me, from right there, so brother, it just click in with the name, brother. POLLY Famous.
Right there. And was this still the same time you were playing Tornado at the same time?
Yeah, man. Same time I played Tornado.
Okay, so you're doing your thing. The funny thing with it is you said this is a Obe man song.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We play against some sound. Some sound that you want to play because, you see me, them afraid, you know? We guzzle them. You see me? Make some sound burn up. Because enough sound broke up in enough time and them sound all broke down and them say, yo, the man them. Well, you don't believe in them things they still the brother, but you see me, some people running it, King. So them never play with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. What will you remember was a big night for you on Tornado?
Yeah, I want to say the biggest night I remember upon Tornado, the same night they fire me, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The same night they fire me after I saw it, Brechin. So remember me I tell you earlier, we used to do a little sound named Megaforce to DJ upon the community. So one time now, here comes a dance, Megaforce and Tornado. So my father lived down which part Megaforce forward from. My mother lived up which part Tornado forward from. So me end up go check my daddy one of them day there. Couple days before the dance. So up that me just go check my father. And when me go check my father, Megaforce sound shoot up. And here comes a brother now from town, bring some dub plate, some arrows dub come give Megaforce. So you know, Mega go test out the dub them, for hear what they on the dub them, you know. Cause so them do it a job, man, test him dub them, you know. So me happen for just, they up on the wings, they go on easy and I listen to when Megaforce start put on the dub them, you know, brother. Them time they, being the man of his song, I say, remember what day when me sing, simmer. Everybody call DJ, and then my boy, the schedule, boom, cutting a two, Elephant Man. Say, my bad man, I make, them song, the hot pan the bada.
Bada,
yes, brother, the bada ready, mat. And me I tell you, say, Megaforce, chop pan the bada. You see me? Yeah, man, a brother near Sheriff, them time they youth near Sheriff. You see me, I say, bring the dub, them come give Mega Force, because I never forget it, dog. Them time the Shalom have a one song, them time, them News for You, hot. And the artist singing song, them time, because I never forget, because we get the singing song, we get the song, you see me? And we get some Capleton, them time, the Black Widow, rhythm around the place too, you know, with them time too, you know, we get some Capleton on the Black Widow, and you see me? So anyway, go up there, I tell the man, them say, yo, make sure you not bring no wire to Mega Force, you know. The man is chopping, so we could just juggle and keep it. Because them days there, when two sounds string up, it was always something can happen. And them used to that me used to love back in the days, brother. From two sound in our dance, brother, anytime it pass 12 o'clock, something can dead.
Anything is possible.
Yeah, man, anything possible, brother. Reverse after the little juggling done in at the 2:30 then in morning, the 3 o'clock. Man, I try to prove a point and now, you know. Yeah, man, so going at the dance and me, them time, them still a do. Like, me work sometime in prime time when me ready, you see me I say? But never select upon the sound them time and name Neil. Neil are the man where I'm the big man. You see me? So it's so that Neil decides say, yo, are going. War. Because the place ramming. I remember in my place, we not doing one of my place, you know, where dance keep over Islington to reach for Capleton them come from to, you know. So, you know, we kind of have a open dance because we have the Capleton them and thing, but the hot song them don't want the man. And anyway, I do my part, you know, juggle down in place and me and the girl them dash out and go on with a bag of things them go on with the girl them go on with and you don't know Jamaica party them already. Brother, Mega Force a juggle hard. But them, you know, hear them touch it bada. So I know so them a hold on upon it. So anyway, Neil start a war and I dance. You see me?
Okay, so you're selected that you warned already.
Yeah, man.
Listen, don't do it.
Yeah, man.
He started.
Yeah, man, the man start a war. So you don't know you at my place now. Him start call me you know, to come help him. When Lick start take him, you know, in a dance, because me take myself and go find myself a girl, because you don't know what selector, we got dance, you look two girls. So you don't find a one girl on the side, say, yo, and my corner, this me upon right now, I go and bubble upon this, you know, so. Anything when him a go on over there, so, in the upon him one. So anyway, war start, man, a Mega Force, Mega Force beat on it to sickness in night, brother. Them time you have to wickedest thing about it, you know, it's not even, Mega Force not even the MC them time, you know, so I'm not even that worry about them, you know, but you have a youth now, him live in England, named Squidly.
Okay.
You see me play a sound here, Crystal Clear or Crystal Blue. The sound name is to play Integra. For some strange reason, brother, the man just forward the man them night, brother, like film sound now play and just decide say, yo, and the man them days there, the man they are the top man in that place.
As an MC.
Yeah, man. Because them days there, him used to have a little rivalry in that place too in that sound here, African Love, where Jakes them used to play. You see me I say?
Okay.
So
Richard Jakes, that's on Soul Supreme.
Soul Supreme Jakes, yeah, man. So yeah, well, how we nice same place, man. You see me I say? So them days I know it's like the man go forward, brother. And Jano put a whipping on the sound, brother. So you know I go on now. Them I say, two me not go take back the mic in the night. And man, them say me sell out. You know? Yeah, man, they say me sell them out, Bridget. I left them for dead, man.
But you told them, listen, boss, don't do it. Don't do it.
Brother, I hear me and yesterday, man say, yo, then fire me, you know, me not even go back around the sound from that, brother. Me not even go back over the yard, bad man. This time I tell you, say, yo, me not even go back over the yard, you know, because after me tell you, no, say, if you hold the yard, as brother, no, go around, man. So, yeah, me not even go bother with this. Plus, the worst, now, them time there, me don't know, them time my paper done start out already fly out, go foreign. So, me don't need to go chip out like maybe all the next month.
Got you.
Yeah, so me not even have to worry about that.
So, Tornado, so then you got fired off of the area sound that was going and good, no?
Yeah, man.
Did you join another song, or this time you know that you're coming to Canada, so then you decide, just leave it alone until you get here?
Leave it alone, man, and just go and will advise, man. Just go and a party now.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, but they run Atlantic one day in a place and them thing that's like a year or so and things. So, you know, more time if them a go a road, go play with their own sound and rare, but not major me not take on. You understand? Me just go and easy myself now, because me don't say, yo, me don't want to get myself in a problem or nothing, you know. You see me, because me know, because them days they were there in Jamaica, you know you go fire, you not tell nobody, you know. Yeah, man. Because we're tired with people. Every time a man say, I go fire, the next day I'm dead. You see me, I say that. So my mother don't want me and I say, listen to me. And you tell nobody, you know, me just rip up my passport, you know, so me just hold me others, you know, brother. Yeah, man.
Next morning they get up, you just got to squeeze a man as you get in the car.
Yeah, man. A man see we are moving, I say, yo, we are moving, you know. Yeah, man. So everybody knows, man, out. Because, you know, them days we are going to the airport, you know, all 3 bus load, you know, brother. The whole community are come wave to you, them days they have the waving gallery at all, you know. Everybody are wave to you, going to play out the door there, you know, brother. Yeah, man. So.
Crazy.
Them thing there.
What year was it that you actually came to Canada?
98.
98.
Yeah.
Okay, you came to Canada. And what was the intention when coming to Canada?
Intention. I just come to Canada in a bad man. I go to school and get myself a career and them sitting in a bad man. Do something different with my life, you know, because I was a troubled child growing up in my place, you know. You know them where the man will always name call for everything we are going. So, yeah, my dad say, yo, listen to me. Man need to find different direction in him life, you know, and do something different with him life, you know. Yeah. So that was the main aim. We come to Canada, land of opportunity, so.
And you came up with your family or you came up by yourself?
Come up with my family.
Okay.
All the way forward one time.
One time. Okay, 98 you came up. I guess you're looking about school, work, or whatever the case is at this time here. When did you decide to get back involved with sound business again?
All right, what you know? I forward in a place, you know, and get a job as a local chef. Or them time I get them used to have a franchise now, Montana's.
Yeah.
Outback and Kelsey's. So me get a job now as a prep chef. You see me I say? And at the time now, there was a position there for me, you know, for like train people. Because them open some whole heap of stores, Kelsey's and Montana's and some Outback. So me get a nice job. You see me I say? So I start train whole heap of people and them things. So I meet up in some youth now. Because I don't know nobody in that place yet, you know. Which me have enough family with that place and them things. But you know you drop in that place then you know really too, you know, your mother well protective and the family them where you drop monks brother tell you say this and that and Ray and black people, this and so you don't know before that place. I'm just go and hold me acres and but we tell you something. We tell you say this is so funny, Bridget. It's so happen that but they are now. Me not pre no music.
Okay, that wasn't the intention.
Yeah, but when we wake up one morning early, on a Monday and turn on the radio and was a woman. I go through the radio station then Bridget. Just I go through the radio station early morning, Bridget. I just buck up in a thing named brr brr. You see me I say. Last year I got no bridging.
Yeah.
Morning right, brother. Me I tell you, say, last year I know. That's why I tell you about I some bands we out there red dog. But rate the thing, dog. Yeah, Polly famous is a you to rate the thing, respect the thing, but me just say music is a competition. See me I say so I just do something. Me no want a man take it feel like nothing personal. Me don't have nothing personal against the man muscle.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Competition. So buck up in this group and be a dog.
Yeah.
King Turbo. I mean, I said, then time, you know, me bring up a whole heap of cassette from Jamaica, you know.
Okay.
Me I forward up in that place, me come with a bag of cassette and them thing, and me I said, nah, man. What if it's just a one man in thing? So me push in a one cassette night, man, I start double over some sit when me have on some cassette there, cause me I tell the virgin. Then time, the man used to play one lotion up on the tenor side with him, the virgin boy. Somewhere can find another jump and sound gone.
Crazy.
Way up, I mean, I say, blood, yo, this song, but I mean, I say, King Turbo, oh, this a sound, man. Be a dub. So, you know, it bring back a yard vibes to my bad man.
Yeah.
It bring back a yard vibes to me. So, I say, them thing I go up on the radio. So, anyway, I catch a vibes and that now. So, I go work now and then there's some next come yard youth in the workplace and I say, yo, dog, nah, go on, boy, yeah. Mrs. Saga, I did them time, you know, I say, nah, go on, boy, and man, I say, yeah, man. Well, look, spot down us up on a Friday night, man, a place called Tropical Nights with Super 7.
Yes.
You see me, I say,
yes,
yeah, man.
They were locking Mrs. Saga at that time.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
Super 7 and Golden Touch, man. And yeah, man, them time, yeah, man. Golden Touch, have a little spot down on Kipling there.
Yes.
Used to the upstairs place, the Golden Touch used to them, man. And so, Virgin them decide, say, yo, dog, and if you touch the road, I tell them, say, yo, me a bad selector. And I say, yeah, chattings at the point, I call a bad selector, right? I say, all right, dog, no worry on yourself.
Yeah.
So I go to boom now and go around that place, Virgin. Around a tropical nights on a Friday. I mean, I tell us, Virgin. But then in a place, I say to my dog, say, yo, music are going, you know. But I know that, brother, I'm not used to them people just lean up, so I just a chat. Me used to people a bus blank and a kick down fence and a run up and down in a lawn and them thing, Virgin. Yeah. So it's like me, I say, oh, I go on as a Virgin. Selector, play a tune, but talking skill not dead. So anyway, walk go up the dog and me I say to the dog, say, yo, me a chat off I talk a phone, man. The Froggy. You see me, I say, big up yourself, Froggy. Anyway, you're dead. You see me, I say, the man look at me and the man I say, yeah, man, I chat off I talk a phone, you can't English. I mean, I say, I mean, you know, some man that just walk off. Me, I say, I mean, Virgin. Yeah. Yard me just I come from.
So you have the fire in you.
Yeah, dog. So, man, I say, him and him, you know, go and do him thing and then him look over back for me and I say, all right. So that's it. I remember me tell you, brother, that was it. Yeah, man, that was it, man. From me chatting in that place, man. Then time I get all my first girl. You see me, I say, yeah, man. And that's how I get my first, like my first woman put it away there. You see me, I say, because them time, you know, me just I get two little girl gear right there, but no, nothing serious. That's how I get my first girl. in the same dance, the same night, I touch the mic, man, and start a bag of chatting and talk, a bag of things and party, lift up. And my brother them and say, yo, dog, the man. Yeah. And that's how it started, brother.
Okay, and this was Super 7 in Mississauga at this
man.
time.
Yeah, man.
So did you actually join Super 7 or it was just a pass-through as an MC and you just kind of do your thing?
I didn't get them a play no dub. So I didn't have to pre them, Bridget.
Okay, so at this time here, dub was your thing because you heard King Turbo play this crazy dub from...
Yeah, man. Yeah. I say, yo, I know them bad car, brother. You don't know Jamaica already. We grew up and listen to Jaro, Travelers, Days of this African Star. You know the Super D, them, the 4x4. So, brother, man, no want yet. Man, can't wander around the sound. I mean, matter of fact, we tell you the truth, me eyes out, I'm not seeing no dub box. So if I don't see the dub box, the sound I could have never be like, you see me a pre. But anyway, man, I must say, yo, dog, come back next week, you know, Virgin. Say, yeah, man. So, you know, my Friday night spot that I know. Every Friday, I go past you and I chat on the mic and lock down the place, Virgin. You see me? Yeah, man.
Super 7, you're going and good over there. So then what was your next move towards sound business at this time here now?
Watch I know. I start touch the road when I got some dance, you know. Start see Fire Kid a play super fresh. And then now, that kind of, start a whole of vibes and me I say, what this?
Yeah.
How would them boy a bad, so? See, last year I know muscle, me nah lie, me I say, yo, the man bad, cause yo, the boy staying in a normal. And them time the man a play some bad dub, you know. And me I say, yo, and them bad sound of the boy a virgin. Man, them a say, yeah, man, some only bad sound in a place, and you see me? So it's like them time now, me start, yo, brother.
Start catching the real
brother,
vibe
like
right
me I say,
now.
me need this, you know. You see me, I say, but it never work out the way left me now. Me up that my little virgin them, I start hang out around in the Rex there. The other side for a while, I know I'm link up with some next to time little virgin them. Jamaica and the whole works. I start link up with family members and them thing in Nigeria and Finch and the Ray. And so it happened that 50 Cent go start forward on the scene, you know.
Yes. What year is this we're talking about?
I think at 2000, you know.
Got you.
Yeah, man, 2000, brother. 50 Cent go start forward on the scene, you know. Somebody decide, say, yo, I go on. The man is say, yo, dog. Yeah, the man is say, yo, you move like 50 Cent, you know. Because me always beat the G unit gears them in and the hat. Have me hat and Ray like all 50 I move and the man them say, at the time man Morgan, you see me I say fresh right yard and them to the virgin and yeah, see them way. So, the girl them still a call me freshy.
Yeah.
You see me? So I go suburb now and my virgin them yo, I tell you what I say. My virgin them walk out a G spot one night. I don't know who them hold on for one night and take some record from them, brother. You see me I say and the man them link me and I say, yo, we have some record for you, because them time I got some party go play, you know, up in a Brampton, but I just chat the mic to my friend them. You see me, I said, just pass on and do a chat in some party and lock down the place, them man say, everybody I hear about, you know, you name POLLY famous boy, the man bad enough about me now play, you know, sound. You see me, that time my cousin have a sound named Brimstone too. I just go for a 45. Yeah, I've never had a Brimstone goal. Brimstone.
Oh, okay.
You see me, I say, they have a little thing I go on, and them time we all hear about all Brimstone goal too. And you see me, I say, but I think Brimstone, that is the name Brimstone goal. The name Brimstone too.
Yes.
Yeah, before
and then they put the gold on
yeah,
later.
Then they put on the goal later. Remember that. You see me? Because when I tell you, I say, yo, because we can get some of them boy a dub, you know. Yeah, man. You see me? I don't know who did I cut them dub at Jamaica like the man in my link where I say, yo, can go on some Brimstone dub in there, I say, no, sir. They dub me and play my name of you know that. I'm doing. So anyway, we never bother with that. You see me, I say, but I little basement dance, my Brampton, man, I lock down. And then I have some holy parkers over Malvern and out. So I start get some little Malvern party. The man keep the little party out of Malvern and me a forward out there on a crow trail around a Hempingham. Come lock down the whole little party, them on a basement, them. So, you know, my name I get out there, Bridget. Like, people might hear about me, but so anyway, I get the record them. And I start decide yo, I go start get some recording, so I start drive around now and find out where the record shop them there. You see me? Down at Eglinton, you see me I say, up in the east here, you see me I say, Mr. Go somewhere down pan I remember down this name, but Mr. Go somewhere down and go buy some record.
Okay.
And a place to the Brampton downtown, Mr. Buy whole heap of LP from the brother did that.
In the downstairs place there?
No, the downstairs place now, Mississauga you talk.
Yes.
Yes. Used to go there. So, when me not get all that job in there so.
Okay.
So that even make it better, you know. Me full of song. Cause me there in the place where the song them there. So by this I know, brother, I buy my two first 45 case. And then I buy my first big, one of them big LP box, the bad man. I full it up a LP and 45, Bridget. So me strap.
So what was the name of the song here that you're pushing right now then?
So the sound name G-Unit.
G-Unit, yes, because honestly, this is where I met you.
Yeah, man.
I met you in the G-Unit stage.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And that's how now I start push out and start get a bag of party date in the city. And because the people must say, yo, the youth can juggle, you know, I'm full of vibes. You don't know if I make only nice in them days, then you play the music. The people them love the excitement. So me was definitely one of them youth that where I juggle down the city in them time there. You see me, get my chance to play alongside. If them time the Fire Kid take himself and I say, yo, Fire Kid, stay in it. You see me, I say. So, you know me, I say, black reaction, them a juggle down the place and I do them thing. Milk them time. I want to tell you honestly, in a them time there, when me da show out them time there, I want to tell you, so the only hot sound that I can remember them time was to run the place was Military,
Yes.
Fire Kid, and they have Baby Blue.
Yes, as the hip-hop
As
R&B.
the hip-hop's R&B sound. You see me, I say? And them time they have blacks down the place, them are forward up with fully loaded sound. You see me, and them
know
look
what
at
you're
you, remember
talking
them look at you, they are forward up them time when me had forward in, I do my thing too. So, yeah, me can remember them days there, brother. And we are lucky place them days there.
G-Unit now, who else was on G-Unit at
Me
this
alone.
time here?
Me alone.
You alone?
Me alone, yeah.
Okay, so you didn't want to go as Polly famous. You wanted to actually build a song.
But they want to build a sound. Yeah. You see me, I say? So me basically start off, I do my thing. You see me? And, you know, so, but honestly, at them time, me kind of get for love the party thing still. So I never really too appreciate too much I clash thing or the dub play thing at the time because the party thing are shot and come on, you don't know. The girl them enough man I get crazy girl and them thing so. That's all the thing there, brother. Man, no big bone of dub.
Big there. All right, because now G-Unit, where I remember G-Unit from, was Zone 1.
All right.
All right?
See there.
Let's talk about Zone 1.
Yeah. So Zone 1 now, basically, I work at a workplace. We boss, I said to we always I said to we boss, say, yo, because we boss good enough, because we did the front day one in the front. All right, a matter of fact, yeah, me done the cooking thing, you know.
Okay.
We start with some welding. I have a bridging, Rob, where you saw own Zone 1. We and him controller, him are the welding, him are the boss over there, like, you see me, I say, I'm governed by the supervisor over there, so, you see me? I say, yo, Polly, come in, brother. Music now, I go do it alone, you know. You need if you ready, and them days we do some, you know, we take on the road for the level, and him say to me, say, yo, brother, load them something, yeah, man. Forward over here, so. Come learn a skill. Them thing I make your man in a foreign, the boy can't get a chat when you have this, you see me? So I go there and, you see me, from day one, me there.
Smart advice.
You understand?
Smart advice.
Yeah. So, we govern the place now. So, in our place now, we learn. And then we are set, man, we are talk every day, and we got paradise at night time, man. Oh yeah, so we bring one of our boss that we do got paradise. So because we are two boss working at the workplace. We have an Italian boss, and we have a yardman boss. But he's a Canadian yardman. Gear, big up yourself. You see what I say?
Wow.
So him not really to know about the dancehall thing like that. Him you know him know reggae. But anyway, boss a pull up in a big Ferrari and them sitting in the dog where the boss a go over paradise. So I say, yo, nice man. And we say, yeah, man, one of them things I would have want for a selfie run. And I say, but anyway, we go to and link the white man, the Italian. And we chat to Italian and say, yeah, man, I find the place, man, and me deal with it. You see me? Because we are the boss, brother, remember, you know, we are put work, you know. Because we do them time we are build TTC bus, you know.
Okay, that was the contracts you guys had at work.
Them contract that we are get for build the bus. So we are build the whole bus frame. And so what me I know all the boss get for kind of rate up on a level in them. You used to have some man work there and the man them a build like all the bus them, but here we go on now. For all the week, the man will build like one bus, you know. Someone Robert said to me, say, yo, go show them boy how to do this in the bridging. Come in. So I'm going to start and draw for 2 more next yard man bridging. I say, all right, come in. So run in on the line over there, them a build the bus them, brother. And you know what, you know, we have built 3 buses in a week.
Okay, so you guys tripled up. What was going on?
With them boy there, brother. So the boss I said, yo, them money are all back in progress. And them time we have all GM too. We have build GM car parts them too. And we have build John Deere tractor them and them.
Okay, so it was a big. This isn't your little on the corner. This is a real big.
Yeah, man, a real big company we are working, man. Real big old place, man. 300 well line and them thing, man. Union, everything, man. Everything are going in the man. Work a chip. You see me? And we in the brother and the boss. I say, yo, them man are serious. But what make the boss get for rate we are now? More time we have all some job and what we do now, we put in all the extra work and work all night. Get out the work. Next day, boss I show we have some big check for all them $2.5 million with them give man. Big GM sending all the letters say, yo, these work. And point and time and them love the work. So you know the boss rate we, you know. So we have to tell the boss, say, yo, I have to do back something for we, you know. Because boss is a rude boy Italian, you know. You don't know me, I say, he used to own a club downtown named Casino Lounge.
Okay.
You see me, I say, so he's a man in the business and know what go on. So we tell him, say, we want a spot. So he say, anything we want, we can do something for the dead man. So we decide we start look a place. Gear, jump in and I say, yo, go round and I go round, man. I want to fear open place with the white man. When me there as the yard man, when know the thing and rare, me I want to fear do the thing. So when the boss circle back now, and I say, rare, I tell him, say, yo, we are going to do the thing. Gear say, we're going to do the thing we do, you know. As him say, boss, I say, all right, then, man, do nothing, man, or nothing, man. So we go, so boom, now I'm going to find one little spot down and done. That's at the time, man. I tell the man, them say, nah, dog. So a place is not ready, brother. We need to still find another spot, bridging. So we go, so boom, now and start search for a place, bridging, and we find one place near CC's. Which now, we are going to tear off the sign and put the zone 1 on it. And that's so everything start, bridging.
So I didn't know you were in Zone 1 from the beginning, beginning, where you actually even said, this is the spot that we want. You found the spot.
Yeah, man, we're there from the get-go, brother. Enough man just run in and come start tough up them face and nuff up themselves, and we just load them go and do them thing, brother. When a boy couldn't give me a talk around the bad man. My place.
No, we know. Listen, Zone 1, we know how it goes over there. Zone 1 wasn't a pretty place at all, boss.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. And I tell them for them son youth, I say, if we don't ever get piece of the air, they're kind of sad for you, brother.
That was our version of, if we could say, like a built-more
yes, brother.
That was our version.
Yeah, man. That was our version. Albany manner. You see me, I say, a Biltmore, yes. Zone 1 was our version, brother. You see me, I say.
Okay, so you guys got Zone 1 now. You started to roll. What was happening at Zone 1 at this time?
Well, Zone 1 now, we start off it as a party place, you know. We try to build a Friday night. So we start off, because Paradise did do them thing and Epiphany did do them thing. But we say, in a Mississauga, not never really a go on. So we decided, say, yo, we want to bring some life in the city. So we start off a Friday night party thing. Spotlight Fridays, we start off with it. And, take a little time and do a thing. And, you see me, then we decide, say, yo, can I do a thing on a Saturday too? You see me and a youth named DJ Spraga.
Yes.
Was the first man, them India do a thing. You see me, I say? And then, a couple of things, the place open up and thing now. All the people start forwarding the establishment with some ideas to gear them and rob them, where we can do to make it better. I say, we got Ming Young. You see me, I said that Danny, security. He was responsible for the security and Ray. He was basically part of the management too. You see me? Then Fabo them, forwarding with the big things them.
Yeah.
You see me? Because we just did that full little thing and do Friday night and Saturday night, which was very successful too. Because, trust me, them days that we have like 400, 500 people every Friday and Saturday night in a Zone 1.
In Zone 1?
Yeah, man. Because we said the place big in a bad, man. And we ram it up every Friday and Saturday. And me was the house DJ. And if me decide say, I want to bring somebody, me say, all right, give them a blind. So we start bringing a special guest every week. You see me? But yeah, man, that's how it start, man.
G-Unit. All right, so then you're building G-Unit inside of Zone 1 now.
Yeah.
Because this is where I know you started to play Klepto at this time,
Yeah, man.
How did you get from G-Unit to Klepto?
All right, so one time I over a place them called Duncan Woods. In the city there, and I walk up with a Stitch. I check some bridge in them and book out. They talk about sound thing and, Stitch there, and I say, yeah, man, never sound in rare, and I say, yeah, every man have sound. You see me, I say, left it right the song. Anyway, I'm gone. But they tell me his name my sound. I think he tell me say sound here, King Klepto. And I say, me ask every man, but no man don't know his sound, brother, me ask. So I name below that. So one day, me a ranger. They saw a place them called Planet Africa.
Yes.
Some dudes was like a dub place showcase.
They used to do dub market?
Yeah, man, dub plate market or whatever they call it. Yeah, man, Planet Africa. Yes, me I say, so that did go on at the city at the time. And then I go so boom now and the youth named Ranger, Rootsman. And Davey boy, one day we saw hang out at G&R Finch at the time when I not the bridge. One day we did sit down and me Ranger play a cassette. I listen to that and I hear King Klepto come on the cassette. I listen and, the man them play a song, but the MC, be a nice man make pan blowers and skirts sitting, but what really gravitate me to the sound now, me them play a whole Bounty Killer voice. And trust me then, for me I go to school, man, Super D a for me sound because I Bounty Killer. 4x4 a for me sound because I Bounty Killer. Bass a this a me sound because Travelers a me sound because I Killer. So just picture me I tell you now. So me hear the sound play a Bounty Killer, me I say, oh! Like what I go on and say Ranger, I say, yeah man, the sound would have fit here, dog. And me I say, yeah man, like the sound here, So anyway, I tell us everything does work out away, brother. But then I Zone 1, boom, me just Stitch again. Yeah, man just pop up a zone and deal with the round them, man. I mean, I say, yo, General, what go on? And I say, me there, and I say, yo, you better say you have a sound.
Yeah.
Because I remember now, me have a house, basically, so I can put the sound in the land, me have a land. I remember zone and there was a big sound around there,
What?
You see me, I said, there are two big old wall in like a Jamaica with there, bad man. So, me decide, say, yo, brother, give me the sound. Yeah, man, I saw set so done, man, one day the man just carry the box, them come give me around at the place, man.
And do you remember what year this was?
I think this was around 2002.
2002.
Yeah.
Your papa, because I remember at that time.
Then Rebel Tone, I think, Rebel Tone just win Royal Clash.
Yeah, because they won November 2002. Then
Yeah, man, Rebel Tone, Rebel Tone just win Royal Clash.
Because I remember those times in Zone 1, sometimes you would juggle G Unit.
Yeah, man.
But when it came to the more rougher type of things.
Yeah, man, because them time,
Yeah,
they make the
Klepto.
transaction, them time, the transformation, it go on them time. So sometimes he play my thing, but really and truly, me have to dub them around with me. So a man would even to know, so me have to dub them, But if you run up on me there, see me I say, I can defend myself, because I sub dub.
Because, as I said, Zone 1 had some of the craziest clashes, dances.
Man. Yeah, man.
It was a way inside, and it was also a way outside.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Man. Yeah, man. I will talk, man. No, like we say, like, if you never are part of the era, they won't understand what you're talking about. Because there's some my thing start. Everything for Polyphia must start right at Zone 1. You see me? Without Zone 1, I don't think my thing would have really be what it is today. Because that's how it start. That's how I gain the respect and the love feet and the hunger for one do it. You see me? Because I buck up in the bodies and the toughest it sound I can ever put on the face of the planet here. Right on.
That's where, as I said, that's where I met you, and that's where I seen you. I said, okay, you're doing this stuff around there at that time there.
Man.
So what were some of your moves with Klepto or even G Unit this time now inside of Zone 1?
So I do you know, yeah man, remember so them days especially at Caravan, man, we the response to the reggae float. You see, that was a big thing for we. We have the reggae float. We used to put the sound on the float.
Okay.
Every Caravan.
Yeah.
You see me, I say until them ban we. You see me, them they ban the reggae float from down there because of the whole problem. But I want to say even that was total foolishness because the people them who think the problem was never the people them who really and truly follow the float. And the people them who left the next float them and forward over that float come there with them excitement. Because you know the reggae float used to there either last or second to last, I think.
Somewhere down in the end.
Yeah,
there.
man, the reggae float always down there. So. So, you know, anytime we forward up, brother, it's always a problem. Remember at one time when I shooting go on and everybody run across all the highway and be things and be I say, yo, Jano Star. You see me, I say, so, yeah, me I show some man say a long time Polyphia was a play for all 200,000 people, 300,000. You see me, I say, some little boy I know a forward up and I come tell me about crowd. I can't tell Polyphia. Me have crowd a wave left, right and center, man, long time. So, what we used to do back in them days, you know, we used to bring a lot of sound from Jamaica.
Okay.
Stone Love. And especially we used to work with Asylum. Father Earl them days, they used to bring Asylum DJs and we used to bring up whole heap of artists. Fabo them, you know me I say, used to bring in whole heap of things where we do. So, yeah man, Klepto now becomes a build up, but we start put Klepto out there. Although enough people never really want the sound pan them thing because they must say, oh, the sound name. But me I say, yo, listen to me. It's either I do that. I have some kind of people that book me and I tell them and them still want to put the sound and I tell them, say, all right, but let's not show up. So them say, me serious. I say, yo, Polly, book if me dance. I say, nah, man. You book Polly famous, man. A King Klepto sound I play, man. If you put some respect to me thing, brother. Make up my mind, a King Klepto me I play. Yeah, so you don't put it sound on the flyers or forget about it.
So you were getting a fight with the sound at this time here?
Yeah, man, I get a fight with the sound name them time. Even at the club, man, the man must say, yo, dog, the sound name when the flyer them a print, brother. Still has the G unit a print. I say, oh, no, the brother. But I can't do me that, brother. King Klepto me a play, man. I say, brother, they don't have your own thing. I say, yo, a King Klepto me a play. So, you see me? It started off for the man who never have no choice card. Remember, you know, it's a big part as one man. You know, when I say a big part, basically, you big up Chopper anywhere in there. You see me? I say, King Majesty, Chopper. Yeah, man, and me and Chopper and a youth named Jason, we used to go road at night time, virgin. Lead the people them around as one man. When nobody never used to run there, we go out a road to go for them.
Yeah.
We print up a flyers, then we go everywhere party, I keep a night time, we don't care what I do a call. And get the people them and get them in zone one. Because them time you don't know if you're going as zone one, you're going to love it, you know. Big space, nice pool table, them man. You see, the place was nice, virgin. So, once you come around there, you're going to fall in love with the place. And we put in the work and get the people around there. So, a man couldn't give me a chat.
Yeah.
Straight.
All right, so you have the song, you're getting your fight and stuff. What were your next moves with the song or even you, period, at this time here now?
Well, with the sound and all them time, you know what me I do with the sound basically, you know. I start get enough party dance out of the place because you don't know Toronto set away where the people them will hire you because, watch ya, they know if they book Polly, I go Shelly place. But at the same time, him have 30, 40 people that follow back at the sound. So when they come and dance, them buy NSC and them something, because in them days, they want to say, I'm my little friend, them used to say I buy beer. A matter of fact, them used to buy, them days they I tell you honestly, and not even NSC like that there on the place. Yeah. Them time they were a canai
and hypnotic. Yes.
Yeah, man, aloe. You see me, I say aloe around the place, red aloe around the place them time there. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you're not, we are going to touch the road, we are shell down the place. You see me? So the people them kind of like the idea that if you say, yo, we book Klepto still, you know. Man, them have them spending crowd, you know. So we are going to work with them and then they have all gangster and Michelle bless them, I keep crazy party. Me book for everything.
Okay.
Yeah, man, if I hot Mondays, any early Tuesdays, you name it, anything them keep, me depend it. So me did that the road. That's what I say.
And this is, you were playing a lot outside of Zone 1, or a lot of stuff was in
man.
Zone 1?
No, man, a lot outside Zone 1, man.
Yeah.
Whole heap of party, me I get outside Zone 1. The kind of idea is Zone 1 is a club and Sprague are around there, so him can hold it off if me not about. You see me? You see me I go for the money. You see me? I build my career.
You have to.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? Because you're on a song, because Klepto is a really a 90s, or early 90s song.
Yeah, man. Yeah, 91.
Yeah. I remember Klepto with Gremlin and
Spotlight and even X-Rated. I don't know, X-Rated was the original selector.
Yes.
Double 6 was the punch out the bass. Yeah.
6 from Fresh?
Yeah, man. Double 6 was the, yeah, man. That thing I'm learning. You see me? You can't go around it. You see me? And tell them, teach used to tell me, say double 6 having two look up them used to walk come always want to play them. You see me? Because remember that them days, you know, you have to have your physical sound, you know.
What?
Yeah, man, you have to have your sound system. So that's why someone I chat about time. I just told me, me tell the Stitch about, man, you're star selector, brother. I mean, I lift up the box. So we just left the sound in our basement, brother. Simple.
Yeah.
Sound still there.
Because remember, in Jamaica, from Tornado days, you had to lift up sound.
Yeah, man.
So you decided, I'm not coming up here
man,
and do
the
same.
No, brother.
Yeah.
If me, brother, I can't but I got no dance. When dance done, me I struggle with no sound box. No, brother. What upon that?
Yeah. Because at this time, it was still records at this time.
Yeah, man. Them time I record, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Dub plate and, you see me, 45 and LPs. You see me, so.
So you're doing road this time.
Yeah,
King
man.
Klepto, what was going on at this time here now?
Well, them time we just a juggle. But them time here comes Ron Nelson now with him fully loaded. You see me, I say, Ron Nelson come up with this fully loaded concept, you know. You see me? When him start to put all 1, 7, 8, 9 sound on the fully loaded dance. But them time it wasn't a clash. It was a display.
Yes, the early fully loaded.
Yeah, it was not a clash. Every man play half an hour. Yes, you play one time for the night.
Yes, you come in and then you don't come back.
You don't come in back.
Yes.
So anything we have to say, you better say it no or forever with a piece. Or take some kick. When the next man play, but you not play back. Yes, that's how it used to run. So, you know, me kind of, them time the profit now, because in them time, me used to play upon Girl Farm and them thing, you know. Girl Farm used to hot in a Mississauga, them time with all. Them time when Girl Farm are going reaching, trust me, I don't know the numbers we tell someone, but when you say full to capacity, that was a real girl farm. I don't know where woman come from, but it was a real girl farm. Bro.
And you had to get there early.
Yes,
too.
man. Big up Terminal and Ball, them, brother. Big city, man. Them man there are the first man to put on a big dance. Like, big dance in front of whole heap of people. And you understand? And them time the G unit too. You see me I say? From them time there. So, like, you know me I say? Big them up. But, like me say, Klepto now, I start get me date them. So I start represent and like me tell you now, Prophet them used to play a black melody. When I know them at the time and them left and start go play Super Fresh. So you know me hear Prophet even play Super Fresh them time them I say, what you boy you bad to man. You see me I say? And then you have June Addies play a song here, Studio Mix. You see me? So now them time you know you have Studio Mix kind of with a new shooter. Super Fresh with a new shooter. And then you have King Klepto now rise up back right there so now too. With POLLY famous. Yeah, man.
So the streets are hot this time with new selected new things.
Yeah, man. Some new shooter and I play some dub plate a chopper. You don't know Studio Mix are the old Bounty Killer. So none of them time they in the Brexit. Bounty Killer for days. You see me? I say the old Q.
Yeah.
You see me? And a ramp with Super Fresh same way too. You see me? King Klepto. So yeah, some little bad sound now where over another little zone there. You see me? I say. And at the them time they, you know, Black Reaction, they both see we are do them thing. Rootsman are rising at them time there too. You see me I say, cause me in them time me and Ranger is to par. You see me? Yeah man, Ranger my par in them days there. You see me I say, Rootsman, Klepto. Anyway, you see one you see next. That's how we roll. And big up Pang from attorney too.
Yes.
Him did that. You see me, I say, you have attorney and I mix with it too.
Okay. Glad you brought that up. I seen a picture somewhere, and I'd swear the picture said you were playing King Atani one time.
All right, here we go on with that. It never worked out for me.
Yeah.
So, but they try off attorney because me and Pang a bridging. So me I tell him, say, yo, yo brother, you know attorney. Them full of up. So one time I tell him, say, yo, more, you know, I said to him, say, yo, Pang, no good MC, man. Because Pang I say, no like the MC thing at the time. Because Garfield entirely like him, I do sit there sometime. And so I say, yo, damn, would I make a chat or fighting about? Yeah, generally like to talk where you're sitting there still about. Anyway, I go to boom one night now, and they go one dance and fully loaded them one night too, you know.
It was a fully loaded.
Over 5-star banquet hall with Ron Nelson. We keep a fully loaded. And I think this was a clash with Night. Then the Night just come back from Jamaica.
Yes.
Night just come back. You see me I say, Rebel Tone, they did it. Night Desert Storm. I think even my boat, them time, all something, Caveman.
Yes,
Caveman, they did no studio mix, Black Melody with Scooter. They were figured Scooter and Bulletproof vest the night, the virgin. You see me I say, King Sharp, Desert Storm, Sharp, I jump up on the sheer time darkers, you see me? And there's Tasha Roses, Guns N' Roses,
yes.
Yeah, man, the night the Guns N' Roses make a big impact, brother. Chin them, they did it the night too.
Yes, that was the night where she almost won.
Yes, man.
But she played back the song.
Yes,
and then I think it was Reaction. Them the end.
Reaction. They do
yes.
Because them days they can't play back song. Yeah, man. Them days they play back song, you're dead.
Yeah.
Once you play back a song, that's it. That means to love. You see me, because that you get more attentive and know what going on. I like, no man, just a chat and come play back 10, 15 songs, everybody still give them forward. Back in them days, once you play back a song, you could have lead the dance all night. That's it for you.
That's a wrap.
Yeah, man, Rannes, them never assist him one at a time, man, when they have a red light, man. Yeah, man. Anytime you play back a song, man, the computer go off, man. Yeah, man, like, just go off, man, that's it for you, brother. You just eliminate you. Yeah. Yeah, man, so
that night there, you were playing Atani that night?
I make two talk. But really now, I get a dance now for play. With Atani, I stole love. DJ always. As I say. And that's how it never work off me, because I put on a dub for play and we stick up the dub bridging. Like him lift up the knee like and you see me, in bully style. You see me, I know man not take bad up already mostly. You see me I say. So you know that go. So Phantom I say, boy, a badness thing on brain, you know, dip on that with me sound in a verse, him is a Hamilton man, him no want the problem down against that car.
Yeah.
You don't know which is a Jane and Finch man and you see me? Be a chattings and Ray and you see me?
Was it his turn to play at that time there, or why did that whole situation happen in the first place?
Yeah, because him just anybody will know who's in them days and know who's used to bully the thing, brother. You see me? Him a the man. You see me? You know, I saw something go. You always got have them kind of people in our music world. You see me? You know, the matter around them and the fire links them and you see me choke at them. The bully down. So at them time, the Wiz was the man where, I guess, you know, have the like of vibes there with him verse, him real from certain areas. So, yo. You see me? Well, you don't know a Polly famous this one said, Mary Bush. We don't care where you come from. You see me? Yeah, man.
And we're saying you don't really know anybody per se, so your way of thinking is, I don't care about none of this.
Nah, man, them days I roll reckless, man. Them days I wrong, if a man played me, dog. That them time they know I played me, brother. You see me? Me young and reckless or in the street with my little friend them. You see me? They're on a different mates. And then the music, yes, but we out in the street. Them time they say me a Crips, man. Yeah, man. They was like them thing there. A blue kerchief I got on my back pocket and them thing there, dog. Them thing them on them time they saw. And now I got to take no chat from the boy. Yeah, man.
And then that was a short-lived career on King Atani.
Right away, brother Phantom, I said the next day, yo, so this now go work, you know, cause the badness thing and so I realized, you see me? Yeah, him not about the life, cause I don't know something a serious thing.
So was it before Klepto or this was in between Klepto?
Alright. Them time they kinda make the link with Klepto, but me never did official.
Got you.
You see me? Yeah. But to me and Pang a virgin at the same time, I say, you know, give me I'm virgin power every day.
You know what? Now thinking about it, yes, I do remember seeing you at that fully loaded.
Yeah, man,
and you did make a couple of times.
Yeah, man, big up Blacks, man. Big up Blacks, cause I want him to give Blacks ratings for still, you know, brother. Blacks is a man where I highlight you as a selector still, you know. Once you say anything to him, you know, I make sure say him boss head, you know. I'm rate him for that because it bring attention to me. And if you get to me, I say to you, that enough man understand. More time, man, this year, another man feel like yo, the boy, if he dirty, no call him this, me. Nah, man. I bust him just make you bust a while ago, you know, cause people who never know you want to know. Remember, war ground me depend on where people know me why I saying about, man. Them know me in a little juggling city or a little red about. Me come in a battlefield now and the man I say, oh, all the boy when he POLLY famous a while ago come chat off him out. POLLY I want bird and rare and him pull out. I think I want back of crackers or Henry or sit him take out and pocket and fling Poppy that.
Yes, it was. You know what? You're right.
Yeah,
it
man.
was something. Yes,
Yeah, man.
Yes,
They
yes,
pull a style.
yes.
I want them to see him post it for him. So, yeah, the boy are wicked. Yeah, man, we got me some blocks, man. Yeah, but me just try to show you, virgin. If you man him this, me say, yeah, I like my virgin. So, me never take that serious. Me take that as, yo, people know about me. Because next day, everybody a chat about it.
That was one of the biggest things. Guns N' Roses almost winning was the big thing.
Yep.
And then that part there
man. Right.
was the next big thing.
The big old forward, the man get off of my bridging. So you don't know dog like me. I say, yeah, man. My name start, some of my bridging in my work. I say, yo, dog, I walk on one night. Right, you say blocks this year. I remember, you know, blocks are the man. So any idea when a man I say, the man they this year, you know, dog. You think up.
Yeah. You have to be somebody.
For them man, they call your name. Because him could have just pass that. But you me did it for the whole night. Me did antagonize me in the dance. I said, oh, I bust head in the blocks. You see me? I said, oh, cut your throat in the man. Dead with laugh. Because I remember, you know, him know me in the juggling world. I do my little thing, you know.
Yeah.
And the man I say, every time I got some party, me I tell you, say, wait till the dance then. Man, I say, oh, yourself, man. I gotta fix you. Yeah, man, the boss walk with a bag of crackers, man. POLLY was some crackers, man.
I remember
Yeah,
that.
man, that's lift up, man.
Yeah. So a lot of, you know what it is? When we've lived through so many things, sometimes it's just for somebody to bring up a memory, say, oh, you know what? I forgot about that.
Right, you know, that may I show you. So that's why I tell you someone and say, I say, POLLY put in the work, man. I rap with me, brother.
Yeah. No, that's been a hot minute. Okay, so then this was, as you said, before you really made the link with Klepto.
Yeah.
Okay, you said that up to this point here, you and Klepto had gone. Did you go into the fully loaded or they were just keeping at this time here?
No, never go in there fully loaded. Never go in there. Just go and watch it. So that keep. Yeah.
So then what was the next move for Klepto now at this point here?
At this point, then I start cut some song, you know. You know what I say? Start cut up some song around the sound, you know. Stitcher say, all right, you want to play the sound, you're serious. All right, Brechin, let's do this. Get by the sound on the road, because a long time the sound don't play. You see me I say? So, if you're serious and you want to play the sound, all right, you see me? So we just decide, say, yo, we'll put the sound on the road, so we take our time and start get some song. And we can't just go run out with a bag of old song them from them time there. We need some fresh thing, and the sound never play for a while, so, yeah, start.
And this is all while you guys are in Zone 1?
Yeah, man, while we're there in Zone 1.
Okay. What was some of the early clashes or tough juggling after you decided, okay, Klepto's back on the road?
All right, so you know, saying at them time, you know, couple little clash start forward up, you know, scully them forward up with that thing when you wanted.
Yes.
You see me I say? So, the first wanted, you know, I think, yeah, the second wanted where them keep, and me win it.
You remember who was in the clash?
Yeah, man, it was Starcade with Chucky and Fire, and the sounder named Lexus up here. They play super fresh named Easy.
Where you say had to rough them up over there.
Lock them off, man.
Yeah.
Lock them off. We win the trophy, man.
And this is one of the early clashes.
Yeah, man. That's how it does start off, man.
Yeah.
I can't remember one, all right, even one at a time now, me get a dance out of Scarborough one night, you know, down one place down Danforth and Danforth. Me and King Turbo and Desert Storm, the down there, brother. The man, I'm rough up Turbo night in them and Desert Storm, and the people, man, them say, yo, them time they have man like Ninja and them man, they and jump fence and them man, they got dance around here. I mean, never forget, man, the man then come to me night and I said, dog, how you? Them have me alone for that dance night with and the man, them say, dog, how you? I say, oh, boy. Man, them say, dog, place needs somebody like you. Me love how you deal with them boy that while ago in a them place. Because them don't too comfortable.
Because remember, this is in Scarborough.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. I rough them up in night around them man with some dog man and sit man. They must have the blood. I remember that time they have the firelink swag in a brother. Baganize and make up beer nice and sit, you know.
Because you still have the yard fire inside.
Brother. Man, hungry feet. Remember, the dog, them comfortable and relaxing at them yard, you know. So it's like, man, they must say, nah, man. So I saw now me start all going out of MP and on a level, you know, because anything the man them keep out there and jump fence them keep. Yeah. And big up Genius though. You see me, I said them when I DJ and I like the place them time. Anything the man they keep, the man they link me. Big up Sample King, but can't forget Sample King, because I want to tell you, say, me know Sample King from the name Sample Kid.
No, he was thing there. It wasn't sample. He was Bunny Killer those times there.
No, man, listen to me, man. Listen, me box Sample King one time. So, yo, me just come from Jamaica meet Sample King, you know. You know me meet Sample King? I got Caribana. Me just come from Jamaica. The first Caribana I'm going to just come from yard. And I look at DJ Clash go on. The man them have some music out there play. And I Clash go on down the dog, I sample down there DJ. I'm going to take the mic. I don't know man full of lyrics on them time. Me and him start clash. You see me? Till all the little vibes out, little scrambling out for go on and be a badness and we love it out. So it's so you will tell say life, Bridget. Life, me I tell a brother. I go so boom, you know. I meet her here just a girl, you know. And me and her start dealing, Bridget. And one day she go meet her friend and her man for go out for dinner, you know. For go out for lunch. And she say, yeah, come. I say, I don't know nothing. Me and her drive come east, brother. Then time the sample start to a girl named Cindy. You see me I say, yeah, man. The year just a be, you know, I seen their best friend, brother. Yeah, you know, so we got a place bad man, a Sample King, we go walk up in a brother. I say, yo. I say, what is that? Yeah, my dog. I say, walk one DJ. I say, walk one DJ. I like my girl. I say, you know him. I say, yeah, man. You see me? So, you know, I look a link kind of time, so too. When Sample start keep all him birthday, them sample link me. Them time, they on him birthday party. With G Unit. You see me? So, big up Sample. So me tell you, the thing does have a way for it just flow, brother.
Yeah.
You see me, I say it does flow. You see me, because even at them time, me I tell you, no, me start get all, used to have a club person named Mirage.
Yes.
You see me, we get all a couple of dance over Mirage through the man, them up as a dark. So me actually say, me start forward out this up on a regular basis now and I get some dancing and the whole of like basement dancing on a crow trail and, you see me, I say, yeah man, I do a thing.
I didn't realize you were out here that much, boss.
Yeah, bro. But so, brother, Scarborough's the place, brother. Yeah, man, Scarborough music out like, all right, I even tell you, say, back in them days, I tell the man, they say, I got Scarborough, nobody now forward. Yeah, man, then time they have Versace, man, them boy place I go and a bag of things. And the man, they keep party, the man, they say, yo, selector, come in. Then time them not even have to dip on the dance, but they never have to dip on the flyers. The man start to say, yo, come in, and the man, they still up here, me.
You know what you're talking about.
Then them brother cool man, some man just chat man. Listen to me, I tell you my journey in the music boy, I tell some man Polly put in him work.
Yeah.
So me was one of the garrison selector them bad man.
You know what? Even with Turbo, because I thought the whole issue with you and Turbo started years later, but this really started from that time you said you roughed them up.
Yeah, man.
At Danforth and Danforth.
Yeah, man. So from them time it's like, brother, I don't know dog. To me, brother, it make I use a terminology. You know, don't fish up my terminology. Them soft. Yeah, bro. Them soft, brother. Yeah, man. If you have a big sound like that, brother, the man them around the sound soft. Because the boy can't come down place, come tough chat me. I'm going to defend it. You see me? So them back down the night, brother. Because I guess them don't know me. You see me? I say, so it's kind of shocking. I remember, you know, in the business, you know, you're going to a place, you know, you hear a man chatting, you know if him bad, you know, and how him presenting music, you know, right? So, you know, and how the crowd are react, you know. So sometimes you have to just ease yourself, you know, and say, you know, I mean, I know my night tonight, I go love him. Yeah, man.
Big there. I want to get some more into this Klepto journey, and then we're going to move on to your other songs here.
Yeah.
Fully Loaded, Inside His Own One.
Yeah.
First Fully Loaded, I think I remember you in, was the one with White Boy.
Yeah, I made the window one.
Yeah. That was when, okay, now Fabo's in the house.
Yeah.
White Boy's in the house.
Yeah.
And I think Wiz came into the house by default of Fabo.
Yeah, man, Wiz did in there too, man.
Yeah. So then it was you three in there. The night with Fully Loaded, you and White Boy, what had happened that night there, Polly? Because this now is the first time I remember seeing two selectors actually get into a real altercation. At this time. Me personally, it might have happened before, but I don't remember seeing that before.
All right, you are going with the one. Hey, you see, when we look back at it now, everything did kind of, never did like how it look at the night, you know. It was a misunderstanding, everything will go on the night, you know, brother.
Got you.
Watch you go on the night now. Remember, you know, me and you, warrior, brother. Me don't play. Walk off a stage and walk go down in the dance and hold back my spot. In the dance and I listen to the next song I go play now, which was White Boy.
Yeah.
White Boy come on the sound now and start playing now, bad man. And then left off of the stage and walk come down, which part me stand up. And him exact word was, pussy move first, I'm gonna suck your mother. And like, you know, him that use him and like, for move me.
Yeah.
You see me? You don't know from him say that now, You see me? I said, the boy, you come there, son, come touch me, I know, brother. So you don't know, dog. Him just end up get some, you see me?
So this was when he had the bird in his hand at this time?
No. So now that me I try to tell us everything was a misunderstanding. After now, me I go find out everything where I go on, brother. Remember, you know, when him come and I say, pussy suck your mother, you know, I'm moving.
Was this with the mic or he?
With the mic.
Okay.
Him
with
a player.
Yeah, got you.
So him stop the song and walk off down in the crowd, you know. Zone one ram, you know, and him walk off of the stage, because guess what? Him a go for the bird.
Got you.
But me end up stand up right in front of the door where the bird there. One day if you get to me, I tell us everything was a misunderstanding. No. So white boy never really walk off a stage for this me.
Got you.
The bird him a go for, but me stand up in front of the VIP door where they have the bird on the way, hide the bird. So after all of that go on now, you see me I say now, yo, white boy, big up yourself, Bridget. You see me I say, you don't know a thing, God was part of a thing. You see me I say, yeah man, the man ball like a little girl, man, I couldn't believe, man. Man cried the night, man. Cause me and my Bridget, you know, me and my did remember same day and I zone one admit it.
That's what I'm telling you. The house
so
was
you couldn't really
first,
believe so me doing that, but the end of the day, me I tell you say at the time, brother, me the thing say, a man left off a stage for just come pick problem with me, Bridget.
Yeah.
Which was, he wasn't like that. The bird him did a go for. So he end up go for the bird and told the man them all vex, brother, them kick off the bird off a stage and kill the bird. You see me? And then them want to beat up white boy and me I said, no dog. And me see one of you I say, yo, Bridget, cause the dance off a mash up. And me I say, yo dog, gonna bill man. You know, that's serious, Bridget. Yeah man, the man they kill the bird, man, them go for man. And you know, white boy start cry, Bridget, and I say, yo, we're supposed to speak. And me I said, Jano, Bridget. All the time I start, I said to myself, say, yo, Jano. You see me? So it was one of them.
But again, but that's what I'm showing you. At that point there, up to this point, I don't remember no selector getting into no real altercation. So at this, white boys figures, okay, we're all in the house. It's war time.
Yeah.
You know what's good when you're on the field.
Yeah, man.
It's war, so you're gonna say what you're gonna say. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. And we're gonna link after,
Yeah.
cause we're back in the house probably tomorrow night.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
But like me say, just the way the man do the thing, me check say me, him left off of the stage and come. Yeah. Brother, come on, bro, you're a player.
Yeah.
We over this one, you left off, you come this me. Yeah,
But you just happen to be in the path.
Yeah, man, I just in the part, my brother. Me stand up right in front of the door, but man, after now, me realize what exactly did I go on. You see me, I said, Jado was star. You see me, but that's what I think, there, brother.
Polly. As I said, okay, that's the first. We got some more grounds to cover because that's number one.
See it.
All right.
Yeah.
You're different, boss. Zone one here. Okay, and that fully loaded. Who won that fully loaded? That
I mean, they win there. I mean, they win.
Okay. Couple more stuff. Give me two more big nights on Klepto before you decided to make your exit.
Yeah, man. Well, here comes a thing called. Someone out about dancing. Me never dance with me and bass this. You see me I say. I have a trophy for the dance still, but you go on the dance and I like me to really win the trophy. In the sense. But I was the last man standing, so I take the trophy. You see me the dance they get, you know.
Was it zone one too?
No, run a duet.
Yes.
Desert Storm and
Yes.
Rootsman and the bass of the
Over in Rexdale there.
Yeah, man.
Albion in 27 area.
Yeah, man. So you know, gun salute. Go on the dance, everybody run out. So you're the last man standing. So I mean, did a play. So
Yeah.
me have a trophy. Yeah, man, enough time promoter call me and say, yo, don't return. I say, return what? Last man standing. I ring your mother. Yeah, see me? Yeah, man.
Different selector.
But here comes a dance now. Killamanjaro, Sound Trooper and King Klepto.
Boom. Inside the zone one.
Inside the zone one. Yeah, man. Wicked dance.
That was the one where Trooper decided to call you Polly Lizard
Yeah, man.
at that time there.
Yeah, because they conk him and fired. You see, they give him a little small conk.
That same night there?
Yeah, man. I remember, man, when he called for security. I remember when Trooper just reaching I dance what happened. I remember you know, Klepto did that play for the longest time in the brother, the two and Jara and Trooper no forward night dance, you know. And when you forward, you get ignorant. I say, yo, brother, look from when this a dance we start and you're there, lock up around so Rary, no one and Rary and Trooper come up there and I say, when Trooper forward, him start film time to play. The first thing the man say, the man I say, yo, Klepto, you know the early warm sound. Now you don't know what around 30, the place lift up in the brother. Cause the man style me wicked after me. They go, oh, may I star? Yeah. You come talk about man Ray. You're the early one. I'm at a fucking play back for the rest of the night neither.
Yes.
Yeah, man, I just run up the on him dog and grab the you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, him have to ball for security when I start say, oh, but this one not there. I mean, I say then, are they bad man Ricky Chopa this? A punk Ricky Chopa this?
Worse yet again, as I said, this is inside the zone one,
brother,
the
on,
house
man.
boss.
Yeah, come on, brother, man. Brother, me not take no chat in my place. Remember, my place not in there, brother. Me I even stole over me I stole over problem in there, everything, brother. Yeah, man. One time I stole over in there play, man, and it's like, the dance was, you don't know in them days there. When a sound come from Jamaica, them play till daylight.
For sure.
So, basically, me did do the early one, man. Stole off, said they want piece of the early one because nobody never really too dead about, brother. Like the man that said 2 to go. And you know in them days, the muscle. I dance with dead with all 3 somebody. And then all of a sudden, he dance was full.
Yeah.
And that one, the dance with me and stole over, brother. The dance was full. And then the man I say, yo, stole over all night. I mean, I say, okay, I stole over all night in a zone one. I just plug out them 2 little CD and fling them across the stage over this one. Yeah, man, come on for this one. I'm told.
Who was playing Stone Love that night there?
You know, say I think Bill Cosby and Diamond if me not lie.
Yeah.
Man. I fling out the CD them across the floor over someone. Why? You can't come to a bad man place and come tell man about yo. Oh no, there. A matter of fact, Stone Love now play back for a side night. You know, a management I say, yo, star, be that nigga love go on, make the man them play no man and me I say, matter of fact, you want go on. Half an hour, you know. Yeah, man.
Because again, I think that would have been the link through Fabo.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Stone
man.
Love
Fabo
that
used to
time.
play Stone Love coming out the time, Rosa, man. Yeah, man. But the dance with we and Jaro now was and Sound Trooper. You see me, the dance the Jaro, everybody in the dance know I go on. Jaro pop down the night, brother. Till I one night and drop out I dance basically.
Yeah. Because it was hype and...
Yeah, and Genius.
Yes.
Rest in peace.
Yeah,
I want to say to the dance in that one, Jaro even stop play one night time. And then tune for tune we bring them in back in the dance.
Okay.
Trooper say, yo, give them a vibes, man. And this was the worst mistake I dance. Because you know Jaro and the dub and the tune for tune sitting with them all dub there. Yeah, but the night them get to kick up Trooper away still. You see me? Not to say then give me some proper boxing I dance. And I want to tell you, say in all fairness, this is my career start.
Okay.
But on a level where after the dance done, Trooper look at me and him say certain things to me. Like he must say to me, say, yo, me tell you something, youth. Yo, you're bad. But you're too truthful. And that was right there. From this, brother, everything changed me.
You understood the game from a totally different
yes, brother.
point of
When
view.
him tell me that, I'm too truthful, me understand everything when I say, him explain it to me. Him lay it out to me and say, yo, if you want to be bad, take it from me. True thing away I tell. Him say, you have everything. You have stage present, you have the talk, then you have the rebel, you're too truthful. But no, you're not truth.
You have to remember, being a MC is you're a professional actor also.
Yeah, man, you're an actor, bro. Everybody, that me tell someone, you have to be an actor. Like, bro, this is like you working down a, me always use the coronation market at Jamaica, down a town for tell them, say, brother, just give down a the arcade. Watch you know. You forward to me, you know, for buy your shoes. Wish you want a Nike. Me not a Nike. But me see the money and me decide, say, yo, you're not left, you know, so you are going, never clocks. We are going with Nike. No man, now wear Nike again, brother. I hate that shoes them there. See the real deal, them here. What you have? The man I say, yo, at 25 me have, you know. At 27 for your clocks. Put her next to open it. I say, dog, at 25. Man I say, dog, no girl that even chat to no man in the Nike, dog. You know, look there. Every man pass off on the clocks. Remember, you never go there for no clocks, you know, because you're not pre, no clocks. But watch out. Me get you to buy the clocks from
You convinced him.
Yeah, man. So that's the whole thing with selector. Watch out. Convince the crowd say me a bad man. They go convince them say me a fire shot when night time come and me a rob people and broke in a house and when night time come. And them a go believe me.
Yeah.
So you see, once them believe you, and this you get the crowd control skill coming in, I think now. Because that is key. When you talk, people stop for listening.
Being a MC is an art, and I don't think a lot of people realize it. First of all, as an MC, you don't talk to the crowd, you talk with the crowd.
Of course.
You understand?
Yeah, you don't talk to the crowd, bro.
You talk with the crowd.
So that means that you and them are flow together. So them listen to you.
It's a science, but a lot of people don't, especially now, in today's range.
That's why I find so the dance them so boring. Because people don't really gravitate to what the MC has said because him not talk with the people.
He's talking to them.
Yeah.
You know
Or
what
talk to himself. First of all, brother, eye contact is key with the crowd. eye contact is key with the crowd. You can't chat to your MC, your selector, and appear and look back at you. No, dog. Once you take off your ear for them people, brother. It's just like a man having phone in his man. You see me I say? I pay attention to him phone and I pay attention to not what you say. Remember you talk to him, but him not listen to you, brother. So you see when you have the person in the whole there, right? So you keep them bridging. Me talk, listen. Come on, let's reason. Loud the phone. Let's reason, man.
You understand?
Yeah, bro.
Let's talk about your international dates here on Klepto.
Yeah.
When was the first date you got to fly out on Klepto?
All right, what you going on now, Bridget? Here comes a dance named Three Kings.
Yes.
You see me I say, me keep the dance there. Because me a youth, I love to keep, me so keep whole party. But, you know, I keep enough dance too. That's how I stay, I keep whole heap of dance. So here comes a dance named Three Kings. King Klepto, King Addies, King Turbo. You see me I say? And, because me and Turbo have a little rivalry going at the time, you know. Because we did have a dance did keep down and so. With King Turbo, Klepto and Tech 9. What was Lions then? I saw the name of that time.
Yes, by thing there, by Kennedy and 401.
Yeah.
Was that a back to basics?
A back to basic dance.
Yes.
We go around the way.
Yes.
Me and Tech 9 run circles around King Turbo.
And I think, if I remember good, it might have been Ricky playing by himself that
Ricky
time.
play by himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The dance, me and King Turbo lost him. Me and Tech 9 lost him in the dance. Rest in peace, Pretty Ricky. You see me? Me and Pretty Ricky, trust me. Me not like Richard. The dance, them know me and them did a bit like rivalry. That's Richard. The fight, trust me and Tech 9 shoot out the dance there. When the dance done, the people them must say, yo, Tech 9 Klepto. You see me? But no, I born a Ricky and him bag of all it.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man. And so, you know me and him have a vibe. So, he's come to dance now near Three Kings. First, when we link Addies, them say, yo, them not forward for no war. Them not want no war because them time they a killer Buddha play sound. And I look at you just trying the sound in Kingpin.
Yeah.
At the time, so. They go so boom now and I tell me, say, yo, me link Andrew Digital. Them time I manage the sound. So I say, alright, we can do the dance, man, but if we don't broke no war in our dance, we'll lock off and call it a night because we not come to Canada for no war. I say, alright, big man, everything good. We do everything for them, get them here, get Addies here, Turbo, get them in our venue, dance start. Ins come a thing called King Addies time. And I just see when Killamanjaro say, yo, to them here forward cross the border and them say to me, say, yo, what you got Canada go do? And the man say, yo, me tell them, say, I go over there go kill some pea. You see me? And I say, what?
And that you say?
So anyway, you know, man, I know in the Virgin, me I say, the dance I go bad enough, I watch how the dance I go wicked now. Me and King Turbo go gang him and beat him in our place. Turbo have a big dub them. Me have my little dub them. You see me? So Turbo kick him and me a box him.
Yeah.
Because Turbo have the bigger dub them. So Turbo will kick Addies and me box them. Brother, Ricky give you a thing name. You come to war? Well, I'm not playing no more songs because I have Global Clash next week.
Yes.
And I'm not going to play my songs. Then man just lock down him sitting them, brother. And walk off our stage.
And left you and Addies.
Listen, when him walk off our stage, me hear when him say, yeah, man, boy, Polly, I got dead tonight. That was it, Ricky exactly when he walk off our stage. So basically, he saying, set me up for dead for Addies. But it never worked out that side of the night, you see me? Yeah, it never happened that night, the brother. I beat Addies to sickness around the brother. Yeah, man, we never forget the dance, brother. When the dance done, man, Andrew Digital come to me and the man said to me, say, yo, oh, yo.
Yeah.
The exact word. We never forget that.
Yeah.
Man say, oh, yo. So you mean? Man say, brother, a long time you hear your boy MC, boy. I see enough sound from Canada come America. None of them no bad like you. So you mean? You see me? Man I said, dog, listen to me, man. Man I said, dog, America want to see you. So you mean? The man I said, dog, you're a panther, trooper, everybody. America want to see you. You can't fly. I said, then time I want this, and them time I just did put in all my citizen too.
Okay.
And like me, if I swear in a couple of days down the line too. So I say, you know what? I say, I heard, man. May I go do some business, brother. And boom, here comes that thing called. What the dance of the name again? I don't even remember what the dance it called. But here comes a dance in America. Young Hawk, King Klepto, King Addies. So the first time I go to America, you know, but the year dance with me get to go play upon. Yeah, man. Serious dance me get to go play. And me I play Addies in the yard.
Okay, so this was in Brooklyn.
In Brooklyn, Albany, man. That's what I say. Yeah, man.
This is in the Amazon where it's kind of pretty. You're in the Garrison Road.
Yeah, man. Me down the road for Addies them yard, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Down the road for Addies them yard, brother. First time POLLY famous King Klepto in America. Yeah, man. Then time me and Richie play the sound. You see me?
Bad selector. You see when it came to that combination of you and Richie?
Yeah, man. Anything you say, Richie! Yeah, man, a problem, man. Yeah,
Bro.
Man. Yeah, man, everybody, people used to love that, brother. Love it. You see me? So, yeah, man, so that was the first installment of King Klepto sound landing in America, you know, bad man.
And what happened in that dance here?
So, them try to set me up in the dance. Andrew Digital try to set me up. Remember, you know, him a manager Addies, you know.
Yeah.
So, him try to set me up. In the sense, him try to set me up now. The dance start maybe 11 o'clock. And him never have come over the hotel, come pick me up till around close to 12 o'clock. Remember, you know, I'm supposed to do a dance early, you know, if you pick all my number and them thing there. You know. When me reach in a dance in a bad man, Addies I play. And Addies I make a talk like this. We can't cuss.
Of course.
We can't cuss, okay. Me and the boy I say on the mic say, yo, see the pussy off, okay, you know, we are walking in a dance, me and Richie with digital. Dance ram, you know. And me a walk in, bridging, and me and the boy upon Addies I say, oh, see the pussy a walking in a dance, him do for a hotel a fight with Andrew for money. Boo, the whole dance a boo me dog. God, this. Oh, God. So digital left me over there for style me, so people them the two departments. So I say, alright.
It was a fix-up.
Yeah. Because I realize that go on after brother, because you can't tell me nothing. You can't be supposed to dance on early. You could have sent all a taxi for bad man after we jump in a taxi. You never do that. You see me? The man them start the dance without me.
Fix
like
up.
me know New York. Remember, me don't know none. Brother, for sure, me not even have nobody number from New York in my phone then time, brother. Because I tell you, me not even pre that. But anyways, Young playing after Addies and then me play last. You see me? And trust me, man. From the get-go, man, my father and I dance and the people might boo me when I my time to play, man. Be a boo. And me just say, yo, I chat to them people. So me make them know, say, yo, I go on. Send me where I come from in the bush, you know. I'm not even afraid of duppy, you know. So, me I go afraid of life people. I want to think you can bad me up. And I want to tell you, say, the dance, say, whole heap of Canadian in the dance.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Whole Rootsman, Camp, Jill, Scully, whole heap of Canadian in the dance, brother.
Because this is the first time you're rolling out.
Yeah, man, and them roll out, Bridget. Me not gonna lie, them roll out. Whole heap of woman from Canada, a man from Canada, gremlin them, the whole of them, like, the people, them roll out, Bridget. You see me I say? Them roll out, we come see what I go on, Bridget. So, it was a good look. I mean, I tell a man, turn up and talk to you people, them, man, and people, them, I say, but wait. The boy a voice, powerful boy, man. This up at these selector them for all a level 2 it. Man, them a feel all I say, blood, please, dog, them wanna chat to him, man, them say that place a dog. Yeah, man.
In there,
yard, brother. I say what them like a fool around here, I say like a rasta boy.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, hey boy, come here. I say no go over, let's go buy 2 hamburger. You come going like you're a bad man, you got chattings and people must say what play. I start playing now, Virgin. I start playing I dance now. Remember, I say to people, them say, yo, see tonight, I don't figure out the dance. And my first round, I say this, you know. I say, I figure out the dance, you know. I go kill Young Hawk first. And then me Addies I go war. And I play the blouse and skirt song there. The Robert Lee. I make my this and the dance lift up. So people must say, what to it, the boy, yeah, man, the boy are serious, man. They have some little fool up in front of nowhere. Lay class them, you know, brother. Take me on and I try to distract me every time I play Batman. So I just stop the dance now. And I get rid of them. You see me? I just tell the people, I start jeer them and I say, yo, them boys sound like Alvin and the Chickmunks. And I start chat like how Alvin and chat. And I say, watch out. I say, a while ago when Young Hawk play people, you know, I bend over and wind up like some batty boy. Them boy are fish. And the people start laugh off of them. So here we go on now. I get rid of them for night, brother.
Yeah.
Them tap with me, man. Cause every time they say something, man, me tap it dance and diss them. And the people then laugh off of them, so them realize, say, yo, the boy, I know when I normal boy, we can't bully dog, you know, go allow him. Yeah, man. Yo, me beat Young Hawk, so tell him I have to give up, man. Yeah, man, me get rid of Young Hawk out of dance, man. Beat him out of dance, man. Till when I feel him time for play, and him I say, yo, we tell yo, you're not play back. And him I say, oh, me a play back. And him play around 3 songs, man, and the people don't step on.
It's not your night tonight.
Yeah, man, just lock off, man. Say, Addies Klepto, man. Yeah, man. Right, that's how it start, man. Addies are made play till tune for tune. You see me? You don't know Brooklyn them the dog, so you know there's something there already.
But the fact that you actually got to play tune for tune in Brooklyn
on,
with King Addies and the hecklers are there
brother,
too?
a autograph me sign the night then a real life, you know. In my first in my life, you know. Brother, you see next day me touch all Brooklyn Street, bad man. Cause me go touch the street the next day in a bad man. Bro God. Everybody in a Brooklyn, you know, say Polly famous that for last night, you know. I say blood cleat dog. Yo, brother, first in my life, bad man, me feel valued or me feel appreciated for what me do, bad man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. First in my life, I feel appreciated for what me are doing in music. Because the people, them must say Polly famous, bad man. And King Klepto. Yeah, man.
And those times, Richie, a shot.
We are talking about, man. Richie no shoot or miss, man. Everything pump point, man. As me say, Richie! Me not have to say nothing again, song a fly. Yeah, man.
Crazy. Another crazy Brooklyn dance was King Klepto, Innocent, Cosmic.
Yeah, man.
Talk about that dancer.
Well, yo, man, I tell you, say, first time I cry water, but you know, no dancing about, man. Yeah, man. I always hear troop and they say them ball a dance and I never know say nothing goes off for real, brother, until they dance, brother. I water drop out of me, yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know, when you have a dance, they palm my hand, man. Brother, let me tell you something about dance, man. Dance is like this, you know. You see, when you get a dance and you can't do nothing wrong, you can't lose. That I'm not a dancer, bad man. Me take the dance from Innocent and Cosmic, brother. The dance was just my dance. Me can't do anything.
It was your dance to give away.
Yeah, me can't do, brother, anything. Me can't play a gospel song and a forward. Told me have the dance. A calypso and a forward told me have the them, brother, them not run nowhere close to me in a dance, bad man. Until Richie put on the laptop, brother. I don't know what go on the laptop, brother. Somebody splash over some Heineken in the laptop, bad man. Rich take up the laptop, the brother beer water, drop out of the laptop. And it, me I tell you, in them days, the muscle. Them just remember say them time the laptop just come in, you know.
Fresh.
So it's like we never did really into it like no, cause if I did know, brother, Rich would have a laptop and me would have a laptop. So if we go and dance, basically, if even something wrong with one of the laptop, then we would have a next laptop. I would have the hard drive.
Yeah.
Richie them have the hard drive.
You weren't thinking about those things
brother,
at that time.
We have the laptop, we not think on a hard drive and a rebel out.
What more do you want?
Yeah. We don't want nothing else, bad man. Ready? Yeah, man, that was a wicked learning experience.
Was that
man.
where you played the first time you played slow motion in New York?
No, we never play slow motion there, so.
You didn't play it there?
Yeah, we never get to play it. Let me tell you, I never reach this in I dance, brother. I not even reach the cartel in the dance, bad man. Honestly, the only thing when we get for doing the dance, you know, I present some rhythm to them way.
Yeah.
Everybody running pan, like the Get Flat, the Joe Fraser and the All Broom, and the My Woman rhythm.
Yes.
Yeah. We get for exercise them rhythm. Then in New York with the people, they must say, bloodly then. Them sang I could have go on them rhythm, yeah. Yeah, man, them sang I could have go on them rhythm. Level down the place, man. You see me? But so we end up, drop out of the dance and rare. But New York still a second Klepto. A Polly famous performance. No normal. You see me?
There's two things in a clash or even a hardcore dance. There's a clear win and then there's the impact.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Sometimes the person that created the impact.
And them come out the winner, man. In a real life, brother. Because the sound win the dance not going away. Because watch out. Innocent win the dance and them never get no date back in New York. Because they want to see Polly famous.
Impact.
Yeah, so here comes a thing called global clash.
Bam. This one had barrier free.
Yeah.
Was it Heavy Hammer?
Heavy Hammer.
Tell me the rest.
King Addies.
Yes.
Mad Squad. Soul Supreme.
Yes.
So
Jake's wasn't on Soul Supreme this time here yet.
No, I've never had it. Then about him never played the song. Yeah. Marijuana, them never played the song.
Yes. What happened in that clash there?
Here comes the next dance, I'm run up in a bridging. When him, end up in a thing where we just end up in between a thing with Soul Supreme and Addies, brother. Reach me in a dance, bad man.
Because this dance was a CPAC.
CPAC.
That's Brooklyn?
Yeah, man, Brooklyn, man. Ram, man. And I come out the winner again. In the sense we say, when the dance done, Chin make a write up, and I just me alone him write up out of the dance. Because I say, yo, I've never seen this. Man, I say, yo, no star. This impossible. We go in a dance and I want MC in a dance. Nobody else then I dance to chat to him. Like him just have a dance himself. Brother, remember, you know, when me a boss a dance, you know, me a boss every corner, you know, because me have the Addies fans and me have the Soul Supreme fans them in the dance. Do the maths, you know. When Addies a boss a dance, me uncle boss film corner, you know. Same thing with Soul Supreme, you know, but when me talk and play, you know, bad man, the whole dance, you know. That's so now, all right, I want to give you a joke, you know. The first elimination round of me play, you know, One song saved me, you know, in the first elimination round. Because watch out, the man them turn down the sound, you know. So basically, if me never did all, I just tap the dance, man, and I say, yo, turn up the sound, Bridget. One song to go in my youth. And I say, yo, I make some tough talk in the dance, and I say, the night, you know, the first time them I go hear when King Klepto them chat, any pussy will not like it. You know, me up on the jar, brother, C-Pack erupt. Like, no matter which other sound player, them couldn't get a big forward like that.
You have to remember, as the Canadians, we were the one really endorsing the cobbers and those type of stuff.
Yes, man.
As a Canadian,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
The sound never push
Bounty and
cover like, yeah,
everything.
man.
No,
Nobody
as a
never push cover
Canadians,
like with them time, man. Yeah, man. Nobody now push cover like with we are push cover them time, brother. Yeah, man. Every sound in Canada I push cover. In a them days, brother. So that was my anthem, brother. But I want that me put the song up on the globe. You see me I say, and in a further down in this, you are gonna see what me I talk about.
We're going to get there. I remember that
yes,
day.
brother.
I remember.
So, me just explain right now from here, so where me camera start from, brother.
Yeah.
Lift up, C-Pack. See me? Mad Squad them play, Risky Dice them play, Heavy Hammer them play, Bad Man. But guess what? The people them can't wait for Canadian them forward back. Yeah, man, because the sound turn up and them can't hear me attack now. So, they must say, but wait. Boy, you have to forward back, man. What you talk about, man? Sound then gone, man, and lift up the place again. Win that. So I win the first round, I win the second round, I win the third round, I win the fourth round. I drop out in the fifth round.
That's what I was going to say. Where did it now go downhill?
You actually go downhill now. So Supreme Addies, brother. Just beat up a piece of rivalry night dance. It's Brooklyn versus Brooklyn thing reach me now, but brother, with the one bag of old Bojo and Bounty Killer. Yeah, man, that reach me. Remember, you know, my fresh to the people, you know, so it's like, boy, I'm bad, you know, but
home turf is home turf.
Man. But you see, me thinking of myself, when me think about the dance, I say, yo, me never too smart with the dance, man. I should try to get rid of one of them for already, because them, remember, the so Supreme did go on good, Addies never go on three good, you know. So I say, should I push out Addies out of the dance already.
And you had bucked Addies twice before this dance.
Yeah.
One here and one another time in Brooklyn.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So it's like me Addies in the brother. You see me I say? Yo, brother, Addies, big up Addies, man.
Yeah.
You see me I say? The sound help build POLLY famous career. You see me I say? So I have to give them enough respect.
You know what it is? As the going in as the Canadian was your aggressive style. Remember, when Canadians go over, our style was never really that in your face aggressive. So then when you brought there, they're like, whoa.
Yeah, because watch I know.
Who's this guy?
They used to fall over there afraid. Brother, me don't tell myself, say, no. Anyway, if I dead, I dead, so me I go dead. So.
Anything,
brother. I'm a youth from me, I go to school, me not take bad up and afraid of people. So, me not say, oh, me I go afraid of people. No, me not afraid of people. So, at the end of the day, watch I know. Me not go afraid of one, brother. I could have 1,000,000 gun. Me come for play music, me come for entertain me people, and that me come for do. Because any idea of that, Chopa was a man that me rate to, you know, me like Chopa style of playing Fire Links, you know. You see me I say, Panther style, same way, big up Jugs the Killer. Like, so it's like, I find myself on a level where I just put some style together where the whole I think, I just use the whole of them style, I have it in a one bridging. So if a badness you don't want, me have it. If a laughter you don't want, me have it. Where do you get where I come from?
100. If it's style, if you want style.
Style you don't want, me have it. So watch I know. Oh, now I go beat a boy like the boy, you know, I get rid of him. You get where I come from? The people them are going to love the youth, yeah. So that me do to them now with King Klepto sound and POLLY famous. I remember the night when we play the slow motion in the dance over the man. What you talk about, man?
This is in Global Clash now.
Yeah,
You got to play the slow motion.
Global Clash, man. Dance was a... Yeah, man, something. It was different to the people, man. Like, people must say, nah, man.
Right.
Boy, a serious boy, man. It's a boy, yeah, man. Every day, man, I tell you, man, every talk with people and talk, man, yo, POLLY famous remind you of Squinging and Matagran and Chopa and Panther them and Links them.
When I started the interview, I told you, this is okay, well, then this is how we're going to get here next. Whenever you turned on a radio station from America, you looked on the internet, you checked DHR, wherever people were talking, the WhatsApp group, the only name keep coming up time and time again, POLLY famous.
A real talk, man.
The hottest MC on planet Earth at one time.
A true, man. A reality, man. A real talk, man. A real talk, man. I made it around the place, brother. At
Big
the
man.
time, yeah,
On
man.
Earth, you know,
yeah,
bro.
man. A real talk, man. Everywhere, man. My name a echo like a echo. Yeah, man. Real meds, man. Everywhere, brother. I mean, and because people are reach out to me, them time, brother. Me not even have Facebook. To tell you the truth, brother. Me never have Facebook in them time, brother. Because me never know them type of youth. You see me? At them time, now me start even go get Facebook. And man, I say, yo, you need to depart Sound Clash Eternity, where people them are saying, no dog, and you need to hear that this a group, yeah. And I say, yeah. So, this some even start even going at them things that I have to see what go on social media, bad man.
Let's talk about your journey. So then now, with leaving off of Klepto and then going being a free agent. Because as I said, when you were a free agent, this is when it was super crazy at this time.
Yeah.
Why did you decide to leave Klepto or give Klepto a break at that time there?
You were going. At the time, we'd have a restaurant them named Borderline. You don't know the street go already, so more time, you know, the members them get caught up in a little rape on the road. And you see me, I say, basically, General no father Stitcher said to me, say, yo, you are going. Restaurant me run right now, you know. So me said to Richie, at the time I said to Richie, say, yo, Richie, me just take on the sound, Bridget. So me I say, well, Richie, I say, I have some things to do and blah, blah, blah. So I say, take my time with it, and I said, oh, this not going to work, you know, because you don't know anything. 9 to 5 and me alone with the sound, brother. Kind of hard. So I say, you know what, now I go flop my thing, you know. You see me? I'm not going to flop my thing. But you don't know in them time when I go to America, every sound link me, you know.
Okay.
So, yo, dog. Money, you know.
Did they know you were planning to leave Klepto at this time, or this was just they were just making these offers at this
They
time?
make offer, man. Nah, come on, man. You know what I said, man. Everybody know, but remember, you know, them see the thing in there, brother. So them say, yo, this a boy, yeah. Yeah, man. This a man, I go lucky place, brother. So we need. You know, America stay already, you know. You see me? Them see the big picture, you know. Canada, everything to Canada is local. We always just stuck in our little zone. Yeah, man. Run off to Jane and Finch. Run off out of Scarborough, and that's it. Nobody know where run off the world.
America, they want the 52 states.
Yes, they want the 52 states plus Canada, plus England. If possible, we're going to take over Europe too.
You understand?
Yeah.
You becoming the free agent now, who were making these offers at this time here now?
All right, so now them time, you know, what a little sound in the link, but the major sound them now was, all right, watch it joke now. Addies. You see me? Addies was the sound now. Big up the Nero, anyway, you're there, big up yourself. Addies, Guinea and Shines. Addies now. I moved to me, because the one Andrew Digital now, I manage the sound.
Yes.
Me and him cool. Because remember, I know him I work with Klepto, you know. Any dance I go in America, I link me for yo. Come take on some dance. Because I play a whole more dance over the same way, you know. But him now was the man that basically really give me the break with the sound and start make people know we saw. You know, him forward over here and him said to me, say, yo, all you a play Addies don't normal, you know. You know, and you know, come on. Me all heard Addies, bad man. For me, it's swell big, you know. But the problem what me they have now with Addies now, brethren, why me never tell me say me nah play Addies was the thing that the people them did a fight Killabo and Kingpin at the time. With everything them do, them a say, oh, for the matter on our baby face, you know. And look, me and think about time I say then dog that me I go left and go yourself go here. So that means every mistake of me make pan it's a sound and man I go tell me say for the matter
on our baby face.
Nah, I go rough me. And then Addies I lose every dance so them play pan to brother. So me I said, nah sir, this not look good for me, brother. I mean, I think that I go work out for me over there, sir.
So that's the first big sound that was.
You see me? But the Tech 9.
Okay.
Yeah?
Tech 9 too.
Yeah, Tech 9 that link me, I know. You see me? And I say, Ray, and I say, Polly, Ray, you know. But here comes Cosmic. You see me? I say, yeah, man, big up easy. You see me? I say, easy, I link me, and I say, yo, name the price, you know. I think about it, I say, Cosmic. She like the idea still. Cosmic is a new coming sound and a strap. So I think about it still. You see me? I say, I think about the Cosmic thing, brother, and then boom, I get a phone call, brother. You see me? LP International. You see me? Big up Father Gear. You see me? I say, Father Gear for LP, reach out to me, brother. Yeah, man. Man, I say, what go on? I say, I'm there, you know. Man, I say, yo. What you say? LP. I say LP. So I start think about it, I say, blood, clean LP, Bridget. From there, Jamaica, I listen dancing, brother, I listen to LP and cassette, and I hear one bag of nice in the background, and people jump up, so I say, yo,
you understand?
Yes, so I say, blood, fire. Dog, which I play all LP, right? Nobody can chat to you, dog, in the world, brother. Get everybody's thing, brother. So I go so boom now, I say, and the man must say, yo, you can't fly in tomorrow. I say, yeah, man, jump on a flight, man. Because go so boom and shut a ticket, and I go so boom and jump out. I make a try to go over there, brother. Yeah, man, I go over there and hold a little one meet with the dog, man. By the time I go so and bowl a little meet with the dog, when the meeting done the dog, the dog goes so boom and I say, yeah, man, buy yourself a drink. And me look, dog, is a $5,000. I say, how the bloods ass guys.
But that's how New York, America is, boss.
Bro, different thing, brother, man. The thing different, my general. Like the man them take something serious, brother.
So it was really, you got the link from Addies as the big song, Cosmic as the new bigger song, and LP. So it's really LP knocked Cosmic out of the race.
Yeah, man, because Cosmic did that pre them time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that pre Cosmic them time.
When LP came to you now, did they ask you to move to the States, or was that even an offer on the table?
I watch I go on. So I forward over there. They must say to me, so I want to do. I say, yo, I go on bad, man. Canada, I think they know, because I youth them in Canada, and I think my job and everything, so. Yeah, basically, they must say, yo, you see me what me? I say, nah, man. Me bring back the sound, go America, Canada with me, man. Everything good, man. Don't worry about it. Because I myself, I know that Canada people not to really gravitate to LP like that. They more gravitate to Addies. You see me, I say, so even that, me even I think about it, because I say, yo, watch out. LP is a big sound, but when I say LP, it's mostly New York. So me stepping in Canada with LP now, man. Nah, go normal. So I tell them, say, yo, listen. Yeah, man. Canada is sound good, man.
If you didn't have the kids, a job, and all of that stuff there, do you think you might have moved to the States?
Oh, yeah, talk about, man. There wouldn't be no itching in that bad, man. America, we are talking about that. Remember me go to America in a bad man, go see a money city and them thing in the dog. Everybody have money at the rate of the dog. We are talking about, we are doing Canada. Gone, man. Yeah, man.
But you see, again, you clearly use your head, family, and life over this.
No, because I youth them close in a bad, man. So I can't go and left me youth them, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me youth them love them daddy flexing and partying, man. So I can't go tell them, say, yo, me not there. Yeah, man, that break them heart, man. So I say, no, so the music now come in front of them. So I fall back in my place with the sound.
Got you. All right, you got the song. Do you remember what year was it that you joined LP?
I think anywhere between 2012 to the end of 2012 to 2013.
Anywhere in between there?
Yeah.
Okay, you came back with the song. Yeah. They gave you a hard drive laptop or whatever they gave you, and you brought it back now. Okay. Did you ever think like, okay, cool, I'm going to be with LP, what your co-workers, sound friends are going to say that now you've left Klepto, which is a bad little song, but it's a bad song all the while, to go now link with this big monster of a song in New York. Yeah. What were you thinking at that time that your co-worker, soundman friends were going to say?
Yeah, we're going at them time, you know, remember the sound thing is an ego thing, you know? Show off thing in about, man, so watch I know. I don't care what them want to say in my mind, because watch I know me, I got bully them. That was the whole thing. All them boy, the King Turbo love come chat about them have big combination and I play about them have one no combination yet. When can play 100, me can play 500. So LP sound make so. Right now, me I got terrorize the place. Me I got bully this.
So it was a strategic bully move.
Yes, that me depend in my brain. No boy no give me no chat. Anyway, me go me I play last. When I play to no look up them and me play last. Cause we can't play nothing. Yeah.
Came back now with LP. What was the first dance you played in Toronto with LP?
You know, so we play on some party. We start playing on some little party, you know. You see me? You know, that it was a little intimidation with the man, them like, you know, or them feel intimidated by me in a couple party, like, you know. Oh, you know, nobody now give me not too much and not tough talk again like before. And, you know, me kind of say, oh, go on. But anyway, them time I tell somebody play LP around 3 months, you know. And then, boom. The general said to me, say, yo, Polly, you keep a dance in Canada, man. And I say, you're right. So I go so boom and link Super Fresh. And link Jar. Yeah, man. And I keep a dance called I call it Undertaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. LP, Super Fresh and Jaro. Yeah, man. Up until this date, I only dance, never keep and make money.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
No, that was a wicked dance. That was with Jaro, Fresh, and LP.
Yeah, man.
Remember that night there, Fresh decided to pick on you?
Yeah, man.
That
yeah,
night
man.
there.
Yeah, man. That was a night, that was a next night where I feel heartbroken in the dance too. Because Fresh did play one Lucian in a virgin. I said, oh, can you be so ungrateful? I mean, I tell you. The forward never normal. You see me? And the man make a speech, but man, it hurt me. You see me? When the man go say, all I who love King Club, they put up on hand and I see whole dance all of them, man. You know, I say them people are some wicked hypocrite. You see me? Because I remember, you know, once the day I play sound along with them, you know, how much dance, me keep how much thing me try to keep on them, never support the thing, you know, brother. So I said to myself, how can I love his sound? I want to wait till me left to come blood cleat, I said that. I feel disrespected bad man in my place, bad man. Yeah, man, I feel that me all feel like, you know, it throw you off of your game to Virgin. Because I say them people are wicked. I want to do me that. So when the day I need the strength to never give me what 2 man left now come go on like some of the rate man thing. Yeah, man.
So it's not, but you didn't 100% leave. You left to come back, to bring back the sound to kind of...
But you see, them don't understand that, brother. First thing come to feed their mind, me sell out Canada. This is the talk, you know. When if you get to me, I say to you, me sell out Canada. Because watch I know, me never go look no Canada song to play. But at the same time, a Canada song won't give me the blind either to play them sound either. Because at the end of the day, they never see the big picture, like when the next people must sip on the outside. Remember when they are Canada just a regular youth, you know?
Okay, you brought up something. Did you ever consider playing King Turbo?
What you talk about, man? That wouldn't be I guess.
Yeah.
Or a talk about. If them man in a them time ever say to me, say, yo, dog, right? What you talk about, man? Man, no Canadian, man.
Did any Canadian songs step to you?
No.
None.
None, brother. That me I try to show you about, man. And none of the man them, dog, them see me there and no man ever say to me, say, yo, Polly, right? What you think? Even give me an option then for just even think about it and I say, you know what? Build me Canada thing in a brother car. Canada me saying about, man. You see me? Regardless if me did left and go nowhere else. Me still say Canada car, but me bring back LP or something. Which me never have to do that.
Yeah, you still came back home.
Yeah. But you know that all that go. There was a big fight. Them fight me wicked with that because if I something for go on and a representation for go on, man, now go call Polly. America saw him a play. So you know it becomes it never so bright for me.
But it's always interesting when you're on the coming up.
Yeah.
Everybody's cool, you know.
Yeah, man.
Everybody's your friend.
Yeah, yep.
But you see now when you become top dog, this is when the whole party changes.
Yeah,
right?
man, everything changed, man. All I want me to think I'm a friend and I used to support me. They don't support me again, brother. Everybody start talk bad. Remember now, music me I play bad, man. Me just play another sound. Remember, you know, me I come from Jamaica where playing sound is a 9 to 5, you know. Me no know about no man I come tell about no loyal to no sound and no man loyal way. Sound and money bad man. If me there in a year with Jamaica, we there Jamaica sound bill, you know. If a sound dropping on the place right now, you know, bad man and money over there, so you know. Everybody left them sound them play and gone over there, so you know. Work where I work, bad man. So in my mind it was I'm working.
Yeah.
So it wasn't about no America or no Canada. It never in my that never crossed my mind. So it gonna be that until it started to reach me.
Okay, so when you made that decision, I'm going to come bat up some man too, but I'm still bringing it home.
Yeah.
But you didn't think that they would have seen it the way that they seen it until it started to happen.
Yeah, bro, when it started to reach me, now the man them start basically lock me out. Everything, Virgin, like, yo, brother, LP America sound, you know. You can't rep Canada.
Okay, that dancer, who ended up winning the Jaro Fresh LP dance?
Jaro beat me in a tune for tune.
Okay, Fresh dropped out after...
Fresh deny tune for tune, but them never had to win it. Like, them never had to go on. Like, they never win no song. I mean, I say, I have to tell you the truth, you know. The dance there, you see, you my because I watch a LP, if you drop out, I dance, you know. But you are my dance. I say, oh, boy, I can't drop out of my dance. You see me? Yeah, man. Randall, so that the host of them come talk about me. I say, I'm there. Because watch you know. The third round of me, if you win, you know, Jaro scrape through with it by teeth and tooth and with it tooth.
Yes.
Super cat them. With Jaro play their life, you know. Because Super Fish when the first and second round, you know. You see me? Because watch you know, Puma is a man who believe in. I say, yo, match up Jaro box regardless of why, brother, because he might danger and I dance, you know. So Puma kind of, we don't do no talking in the first round, which Fresh do a bag of talking and, you know, gravitate the crowd. If we did a talking in the first round, man, we would take the first round, man.
Yeah.
LP play the wickedest set of tune in the first round. But we never did attack. We broke up Jaro box.
That was the plan, because remember, that's an old New York trick.
Yeah, man.
New York and Yardman trick.
Get to the anthem.
Play half an hour, no talking.
Yeah, man.
You
Get to
know
the dub them, man. Yeah, man. Where you know, say, oh, them dub, yeah, safe. Yeah, man, get rid of them, man.
All right. You came, did that dance thing there. World Clash now. When did World Clash come into the fold for you then?
Yeah, World Clash was right, like a couple of weeks after, brother. You see me, I say a couple of months after. I think World Clash was October.
Yeah.
Yeah, and me and Superfish and Jerry Clash, August.
Okay, and then a couple months after that was thing
Yeah,
there.
so September, October. Yeah, so right after.
My personal opinion.
Then time I not even know the song. I don't even know the song. Brother. I remember that. I just joined the sound. Brother.
How can you know? This is LP we're talking about.
Brother, but me I tell you, say, brother, I depend on the sound. Not even remember me join LP maybe around what? May, June, somewhere June. That's brother. July, August. You know, I'm in the battlefield already. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To me, my opinion was this, but again, it's outside looking in.
Yeah.
To me, I think you took World Clash or you were on that stage too quickly. If they had brought it back, say like next year or something where you're seasoning the song, yeah. But that's just from my point of view.
But are the same thing me said too. Me said the same thing. Yeah, cause we see that. Yeah. All right, watch what me I show you say the World Clash, Virgin. The World Clash they proved to me, them time they say Polly famous and they really the artist selector in the world at the time, You know why I say that, brother? The custom them when the man them cut the night when we got the dance, brother, was all about Polly famous, brother. Yeah, man. From Renaissance to Mighty Crown to Fire Links. I say, well, on how I go on? Because everybody I hear about Polly famous. And them I watch and I see what I go on a foreign and I see that the boy are on the place. So them I expect the fire that with them see I go on, but watch it thing I know. Me sick. Yeah, man, me sick the night, brother. Yeah, man, Richie dance and sick of me. I tell Puma, say, me nah go out, me nah play sound,
Yeah.
And Puma say to me, say, yes, I rate Puma differently. The man I say, oh, I'm to you, man, I worry about it, man. Win, lose, or draw, just go do your thing.
They just wanted to present
Man, the people if you get familiarized with me, say, man, I say, don't worry about it, man, just go do your thing, man. And I say, just go do your thing, brother. Well, I'm to you, when you know, I get paid. So me I say, yo, it makes sense.
Because sometimes it's a situation where you're a wicked on your little song.
Yes.
But then now when you get to the big song, it's a different energy altogether.
We a different thing, brother, because what you know. Remember, I know, your little sound have some song where carry you through in a bad man. Then you go up on a sound now where them song they carry you through are the warm-up song. When you forget to be a come from.
Your whole strategy, your whole plan changes.
We are different from how King Klepto play.
1,000%.
Yeah, bro, like, me I say, what? Because first of all, we fly all LP dub box bad, man. Like, LP, most of LP song them, is vocals, Like, the song them LP will depend on for killer a vocal. Them man, they not depend on a bounty killer and a beanie man and them something for killer, that.
That's not LP style.
Yeah, and a theme style, that. LP style, if you make you know, say, boy, where you sang them there. Warm up on them song, we are going to depend on like about them bounty and them beanie. But you see later now, we are taking down a big man route. 1,000 Dennis Brown and Garnet Silk and them sitting there chop you on your face. And some different kind of Michael Rose and Junior Reader and Dan Carlos combination and some Michael Rose and some berries in the box, dog, then sweet like you hear them song, the dog, you hear the man voice here, so yo, see me, bring it back to where Puma always tell me, say, yeah, man, when he ma build for him sound, man. A Saxon was the sound where. You see me?
That's where he got the idea from.
So I kind of realize now, say, yo, the sound, you know, a normal sound, brother. Yeah, man. But like I said, we never did ready for World Clash.
Yeah. Not at that time. They'll probably give you a year, 2 years on the sound. But again, from Puma's way of thinking, I understand. He said, yo, let's just go. He didn't expect you to go out there and kill people.
Nope.
But he said, yo, just go.
Yeah, man.
Let
your voice be heard, brother. Let the people them know, say, yo, LP have a new shooter around here.
To have a boss like that has confidence, say, yo, listen,
yeah,
we're not here to do
that. That me rate with Puma, brother. That is a thing of me respect with Puma, brother. Puma tell us, say, yo, all right, even when me just get the sound in the brother, the man first word to me. Because when me just fall back with the sound, my man feel like Polly play LP well, he man got some rules and some restriction on the sound, brother. I never have no rule or restriction, Puma tell me straight in, man. If you go and dance and a boy call the name, kick out the teeth right away on the spot. Me no want to hear tomorrow say, yo, no boy kill you in the dance because you have to go call me if you say, yo, if you can't play song. No, brother. If a man want to clash, then call Puma phone. But apart from that, if a boy talk loud, kick it down.
If it's a run-in, Deal with it.
Kick it up.
Yeah. But if it's a structure, link me and we'll take care of
We'll
that.
take care of that, brother. Yeah, man. So I never have no restriction on this one.
Super random. How come Richie never went to LP with you? And you guys were such good.
It did.
He did?
Yeah, it did.
So what happened along the way? Me personally, I don't remember seeing Richie on the song.
Watch out now. Me and Richie go LP. You see me I say? But what happened is that, I don't know, for some reason Richie did kind of feel left out. Because you don't know what I know, remember in a POLLY famous everybody I chat about. So it's like, they never talk about Richie. Because a couple of LP don't have Richie name, right?
Okay.
When we just start voicing, they did it. But then, I don't know what happened there. For some reason, the man just me not hear from him.
Yeah.
You see me? So I said, dog, me link him. I said, what I go on? I said, there, man. So one day I go around a borderline now. I hear the man them attack around there. I like, man, I say, yeah, man, Richie dey back on the sound, man. I say, Richie dey back on the sound. Or Richie dey back on the sound when Richie supposed to play LP with me. Yeah, man, so alright. So now him coming forward around there. I say, Richie, how I go on? I said, boy, dog, Kid Addies done up on the sound already, you know, mate. And Puma done a mixing us, so that I got work out, yeah, man. So I just take on myself. I said, okay.
Because you would figure if you're on, Richie would be the best one. So then now you created your own team.
Yeah, that
you and Richie.
So that was my meditation. It was I go there Canada play the sound.
Yeah. Wherever you're going, it's POLLY and Richie.
Because I remember I make my comfortable place with Richie, so it makes sense to me and Richie I play the sound, but yeah, man, he take on himself back, man.
Yeah, because I always wondered where was Richie, and you guys were so good.
Yeah, man, Richie the forward.
He was originally around there.
Yeah, man, we never left Richie a fight, so
yeah.
I don't know, man. Yeah, I bring POLLY famous, I bring Richie to, man. Yeah, man, I two away apart.
Only makes sense.
Yeah, man.
And I mean, now I'm glad that you actually cleared that part there up.
Yeah, man.
Okay, you did your World Clash and stuff. It was okay. It was cool. I think that was the year Sky Juice won.
Yeah, Sky Juice.
Yeah. Okay. What was a next big dance that you guys had done that time there?
After that. Yeah, right after that now, here comes that thing we call Soul Supreme versus LP, Virgin. Right after that.
Rap.
Yeah, man.
This is where the Cabra story is going to come back.
Man. Yeah, man. Right after that, Virgin. Here comes that thing called Soul Supreme versus LP. Soul Supreme keep the dance. You see me I say? Albany, man. You see me? Thing called Duppy have to make. And me never forget. You see me? So, preparation time now for the dance. You know, Puma already. The man there live for this. You see me? For him strategy, you don't know. I got broke up Soul Supreme song them where they love to live and get rid of all of them little song there. Alright. Anyway, so we are prepared for the dance now, but the American and them thing there. Yeah, man. Big up Cranium. Because I first youth revise Cranium on a bad man rhythm.
Okay.
After the liquor rhythm when we depend. So them time they don't have the liquor song, nobody know. No. Buck him up around a Tech 9 studio the day. I said to then time I know me there, I said to Puma, say, yo, all bro rhythm. Puma said, nah, sir. I said, general, all bro rhythm. Man, I said, brother, Klepto beat out that the rhythm there in New York, man. I don't know all bro rhythm. So I said, Reggie, listen to me, man. Me need a rhythm around the sound too, you know, then. Well, it make sense to me, you know, me then. See me, I say, if me there on the sound supposed to have an input to, if you say, yo, at least I want bad rhythm to LP, don't have a bag of rhythm already, where I beat already, where it's all known for. Give me a chance in my rhythm, man. Think about him, I say, I do your thing, Brechin. So I say to Cranium, say, yo, listen to me. The body now if you know what kind of gun we are busting, and I say, I say, yeah, man. I say, play the rhythm, man. I say, no, it's a rhythm, you sure, dog? I say, yeah, man, the rhythm, man. Body now if you know, man, and him dead hand. Cranium listen to the rhythm, I tell you, now, what 2 hours, and brother, man, did they still, I say, yo, dog, you sure? I say, yeah, man, I'm Puma, I say, you sure, I tell you.
So you're getting... Puma's not believing in it, neither is Cranium.
Yeah, man.
You're the only one that could see what's going on.
I'm alone, I believe in the rhythm right now. Because remember, brother, I have ever one Klepto rhythm for power with brother, come on. You know what I say? So anyway, it's so up that Cranium decided to sing the song on the rhythm, brother. I remember me told you. After Cranium sing that song on the rhythm, everybody will call Cranium for that song. I all broom Cranium, call like Cranium bring the rhythm with him. After I play back the dub and hear it out to the vibes in the place, the one I say, yo, how the bad this dub, this middle. Anyway, we did that Cranium my voice and boom, here comes the Mad Snake in the studio. Yeah, man, big up the Mad Snake, man. And you don't know, me and Snake come from the same place, a St. Mary. You see me I say, enough man that even knows a Snake is a St. Mary, man, you know that.
That I didn't know.
Yeah, man,
learned that tonight.
Yeah, man, enough man feels a Snake is a Portmore or Spanish town. Yeah, man, big up the Cabra, man. Said me a general, man. You see me? Yeah, man. So, you know, me and the general good like that. So, then I said to the general, say, yo, we need sitting, you know. And Pure man say, yeah, man, we get sitting. So, anyway, we did that, we are think about the same, me I think about my song. So, you know my anthem that. So, we did that think about the song. Which the song was supposed to voice the original way.
Yeah.
Then, and Pure man said, nah, man. Could custom this, man. So we say custom. Pure man say, yeah, man. Could custom up the song. Anyway, Cabra sing the song, brother. Pure man said, nah, sir. It's not so hot. Start about the man. Yeah. Every part, brother. Pure man tell Cabra, say, listen to me. Cabra say, yo. Remember say me and them good, you know. Well, so we know you and them good, man. But if you remember say anything goes in a war, man. Cabra say I true that still. Run back the rhythm. Yeah, man. Here comes the song, man. Yo, this is the first time me witness one song kill a sound. Me don't care nobody wants, brother. What them want say, me did dead. And me play a song.
That was the one that called Sally's name in it.
Yeah, I'm a matter of fact, a 2 custom voice, you know. If you think back, you know, a 2 custom voice, 2 Cabra custom, you know. In voice one, they matter about first we lock down a place too, you know, the Cabra they lift up around 3 times too, you know. We talk about, you see the sound there? The rare sound there, the restaurant and curry goat sound there. Lee Major done, yam down the sound there. Yeah, man. Lift up in the too, you know. But then, the major damage, you know, brother. Brother, may I tell you this, you know. Remember at one point, me a call in so Supreme in a bad man and nobody now move from which part. That then turn up right I stage. Like, yo, the whole of them turn up there, them like, you know, the song was hang down here and cry sound boy. Me I tell you, yo, brother. Simple Simon song, brother. That the man them a sing over this. So every man stays so, brother. And I say, Soul Supreme, check in. Soul Supreme, check in. Soul Supreme. Nobody now move.
Legendary. Listen, that was because again, you're coming with your Canadian way of thinking and say, "Oh, Cabra."
Yes, man.
Because again, the Americans they'll play it, you know, but
man.
they weren't as in tune as we were. And then now you're calling up Sally's name in the song, that's a real risky move at that time there because people don't really diss up Sally at those times there, boss.
Yeah, but watch out now. LP have more fans than Soul Supreme. You get where I come from. LP have bigger sound for Soul Supreme. So, people man turn up around the sound and give the go ahead for that. I remember, you know, you have to look on the level of the thing. You know. You say if Sally never involved in the sound business, then you can be more different. But she's a person where me or all Mama Sally a clash pan dance and ready with it mic in her hand and cuss sound. So, everybody I New York knows that she involved in that. So, it work. It work. You see me? Yeah, man, a 2 time I kill them with it. A 2 time I kick out Soul Supreme to the song, brother.
Okay.
Yeah,
there was the one-on-one, and when was another time?
Yeah,
that
man,
you guys
and
met
them play
again?
on Biltmore Union with Jakes run off a mouth, man, and Jakes run out, man, and cut a Cabra custom, man. Yeah, man, he cut a Cabra custom for LP, man. After remember then go at a bag of excitement, so they now play no more Cabra and beat things, man, and them run out with a Cabra custom. I say, boy, really? I remember me tell you, man. So me play back the Cabra. Me have that saving on my phone. Cause that's one of the biggest forward me ever see. In a place that Tropical Reflection or in a Brooklyn, brother, we play, brother, I tell you. Yeah, man.
Crazy. Another LP dance that I remember was, I think was it Baradan in Switzerland with LP, King Turbo,
King Addies.
You see, King Addies is always in the zone there.
Yeah, man. Addies then come on, man. Addies are so to put in right now. So you know me and them always.
Yeah, but from Klepto days, come right over.
Yeah, man. And then buck up again. You see me? Yeah, man. A good dance, man. Wicked dance. Wicked dance. King Turbo surprised you in the dance at all. Because our King Turbo and LP got tune for tune and dance. And we get to the Addies. You see me I say? Yeah, man. King Turbo really surprised with the night there. You see me?
Crazy. All right, you're on LP doing your thing. Give me one other night that you remember on LP that was sick.
Yeah, man. A wicked dance, man. LP, jar, and bass of this, man. History dance, man.
LP jar. That was Steely's dance?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Dance said it get rough, wicked the night, man. Me and the boy moped, man. Yeah, man. But the dance, the fight broke, I mash up the dance, man. Yeah, man. Dance get ugly, man. Me turn the dance upside down in night, man. Cause moped a throw a bag of some indirect word in the dance, bad, man. 1 minute, yo, big up LP, the body sound, you know.
Yeah.
Then who? Addies run New York. I mean, I say, hold on the dog. Oh, Jaro selector up here, big up blood cleat Addies attack. Addies run New York when we are king of New York. Boy, no respect for thing. So I say to Father Puma, I say, yo, remember juggling dance, you know. I say to Father Puma, I say, yo, brother, juggling, you know. Them boy are dead. Man, I say anything what you say, man. Yo, but I say, hey, Father Puma a dangerous brother, you know. Yeah, man. You know some man that's a poly away the pan, man. Kind of dead, loud man, them man. Brother, the man that's the right, the lean up, man. Cause I listen up a long time to you, know, brother.
Yeah.
And me I say, yo, Father Puma, man, them boy are dead, you know. Man, I say, alright. Could we kill them then, man? Yeah, man. We just run out, man. And the general start shoot, man. Yeah, man, I mash dance, mash up, man. I look. Yeah, man, I put a step in a jar on the night, man. I kick out my petty. Brother, them thing that me a talk about crowd control, me forward in a dance, man. And I tell all the boy, my pet me call some talk in a dance, man. And me kill every speech before one song. Me get 1,000 forward the whole dance. I lift up before one song play. So, yeah, me I tell you, so them thing the brother you say, you know, say, yo, them man have, people say, yo, the boy are bad. But at the same time, everybody have to look for now. POLLY must get a fight.
What was happening at this time, man?
We mean what go on? Brother, you have a Canadian a play American sound in America. When a million American selector there would have loved to play LP sound and can't play. But this boy come from Canada, I go come run the place, we not cheer for him. When me forward a Canada, we have a Canadian a play American sound in a Canada, so we not cheer for him. When if you get to me, just say
So, okay, where could you go and feel comfortable then? Because you can't go to America and you can't come back home.
Brother, I'm good at Europe and I'm good at Jamaica.
But those aren't regular dates.
You know that, me I tell you. The date them are in America and in Canada. Really and truly where POLLY was supposed to govern Canada. I'm supposed to lock down America because at the end of the day, I represent both. But the people are not having that. I can't feel the tension.
Okay, so you're on LP, you're getting the fight from Canada, you're getting the fight from US. All of this is going on, you're doing good, everything is happening now. When did things start to get shaky around LP where you decided to leave or they decided to let you go?
I know say not never get shaky around LP, Virgin. Tell you the truth, you know, cause me that told the world, you know, brother. So me I say, take on the whole of Europe, you know. So me I say, like everywhere, Italy, the whole, Switzerland, Germany, you name it, all about.
I think you did Japan too.
Yeah, you see me I say, so we do all about of our place and everything. We go on a bag of things around LP. So you are going to know how the thing, or me end up half of the sauna now. Me decide, say, me no feel like me and LP are going in the right direction together. Cause what you know, me dey over Europe, me and Father Puma, and trust me, me see him get around 1 million phone call for clash. Man like him, I say them sound and really up on him level. So me the reason with him about it, cause me I say, me feel like them sound up on my level. You see me? When you forget to me, I say to you.
100%.
Yeah, because I feel like what you know. Yeah, based on this and jar and Addies them, yeah, it's okay if you clash them, brother, but at the same time, you have some next little sound where I feel like me and them have rivalry. Because them rise up and chat off them out on some internet and some Ray and some WhatsApp group and Ray, but POLLY must now get to kick them in them face. Because the idea for that Puma feel to himself say, yo, them boy, they not no fans yet to come play LP. And I feel like when them attack tough, I feel like we need to kick them in them face. So you know, look like me are going up clash them sound. It just look like me have got to wait till Jar ready for clash LP again or base of this year. You understand me I say?
It's like you're even though you're on a old foundation sound, you're the new blood on the sound. So you figure let the new blood do some new work and kill some new songs.
Yeah, that was my direction with me that pray with the sound. Say, yo, here what I go on now. If me do over here and, you know, two little sound over here, so We kind of stop calling sound them name to you, brother. Now give them an hype again, brother. Because you call them name, them take it in the wrong form, brother. You see me? But like all some little sound over here so really not relevant. Me feel like if them chat tough and them have them money, then me and them should have war. For other people that look and say, this makes sense. If them kill you, big accomplishment for them. But if you kill them, then the dancer come like it not even did go on.
So it's almost like it was unbalanced because you're the new hot guy. This is the foundation sound. Yeah. So how can we meet in the middle somewhere?
Yeah, and then again to the money where LP chart for Clash 2 was a big impact on that too, brother. You see me I say? Because even King Turbo, when the dance did go on to Switzerland with King Turbo and LP, you know, me sit down there with Anjo and Ricky and Father Pioma, and we discuss we all keep 2 Clash.
Okay.
One in Canada, one in America. King Turbo say, all right, them like the idea of that. You see me? Anyways, Father Pioma reach out to them change their mind. So him said to them, no want to keep no Clash again. So him say, all right then, Polly, what you think? I say, yeah man, me keep the Clash over here so, and you keep back one over there so with them then. Because that Turbo say, only way them we give you a Clash, you know. Clash of we keep a Canada, then we give them a return Clash America, or we give them a Clash America first, and then we give them a Clash here so. We say, all right, there was no problem with that. Which remember, you know, that one of my greatest wish is to kill King Turbo, you know, in one dance, you know, it's lucky up. Me not about the Clash that Switzerland Joe Clash. Me and them alone, brother. Disgrace them, brother. Play out the whole of them like a big song where they love come and dance, come hype on in the first round. When you forget to me I come from, that mid up on right now, you know, because I have the song them with Turbo love will play, you know, and get to with Kai and play against. Remember, you know, it's sound of Canada, it's like, Turbo, look down upon them. So, look down upon me now, pussy. You see me I say? Yeah. I warm up on them like a song that you have. So, watch it again now, brother. We link the man them transfer over to our brother named Gary. So, him do the booking for the sound. Brother would have, the man them say, them want excess amount of money for Clash. People must say, yes. Where we send the money? It go on so till King Turbo finally send a reply back to Pioma. And you know the man reply and say, them willing to take the Clash now, but a contract of a draw and POLLY cannot play the sound.
Why not?
Coming to hype. But you know we do wrong. We do it wrong still. We do it wrong at the time with the two. You know, it was kind of weird to Father Pioma at the time, Bridget. So, you know, it didn't make no sense. My MC for my sound can't MC the night because we don't know want to face him. But we do it wrong. So, I'm run them out with that. But we shouldn't do that. Should book them, man. And sign the contract with them, man. And tell them, say, yeah, man, POLLY can't play the sound. And when the dance start, let me see what happen. When POLLY take up the talker phone. Yeah, man, I saw that. Yeah, man, I said them not played, my brother. Them said them not played, my brother.
So those were some of the issues that were happening.
Yeah, man. But I get a fight, man. Because even when I'll be a sadist bad, man. You know, long way I call be a sadist for war, Bridget. And be a sadist would never take a day to the brother until I left his son bad, man. I mean, I said, joke thing that. After I left his son, be a sadist take dance with the brother, like me, I said, joke thing that, Bridget. All of my career, me there over there, bad, man. I wait for the be a sadist dance and be a sadist. I say, oh, that's a joke.
So then, what really happened? How did it all end for you and LP?
Yeah, after we there Europe, man, and my sister, like, the dance, them must say, boy, rain, the sound, and I say, yo. Let me leave it on a different sound, brother, because I need to clash everybody, brother. You know, they on a sound where basically, me have to have an input in how we sound clash to you, man. Yeah, the vibes there, yeah.
And how long were you on LP for?
Maybe around 4 years.
It was a hot minute.
Yeah, man. For
so you went to Pioma and said, hey, I don't really feel this is right? Or he came to you and said, I don't really think this is right?
No, man. I mean, just tell him, say, yo, General, yo, I go, you see me? I go sit out, you know. You see me?
And what was your next move, or what was your plan from there then?
All right. Them time, we did a WhatsApp group named Capture Land with a whole heap of sound, you know. You see me, I say, whole heap of sound in the group, Brechin, so you don't know. To me, get a sound to play was even nothing. Can we tell you the honest truth, at the time, I not even that meds Klepto at the time, you know. For some, I don't know why, but me always play the dub them, you know. Like, me always play the dub them.
Yeah.
But for some reason, at the time, I never did that rare that still. But so my brother speeding over sound is stir fry. So I kind of pray and I say, yo, the time Speedy that play sound by himself. So I say, no, Speedy sound will be a good sound we play, you know. But me, I said to myself, you see me? But then me have a brother now named George from one Addies. Sound we own the sound. Me and him always a link friend at the WhatsApp group. You understand? It's a man me and him, you know, you want to start chat on phone so till you reach out of the WhatsApp. So till anytime you touch all America go play a dance, them man they add come on any dance a Polly a play. Them man they are forward and bring in some people and I say, yo, we are go down so call Polly down there, you know. So me and him start link a level. You see me say till all more time, he will link me and I say I go voice on tune. When me think I say, yeah man, get this, get the one there, get that, Ray. So me and him a reason. So when me I tell him say, yo brother, LP thing and Ray, you know, dog I say to me say, then Polly, now a sound man, hey man, what you think? I think to myself, I said, liquor sound. But at the same time, the dog I show me say, yo, he willing to put in the work with the sound. So if me willing for read, then we go do this. So the dog just say, yo, Polly, then what you do, you know? I never know what I think about it. I just say, yeah, man, let's go.
And where's One A Day based?
New Jersey.
You're New Jersey. Okay,
Yeah,
so
New
this
Jersey,
is the second American sound that you're on now.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Two things I remember. So then with One A Day, this now gives you the opportunity to start playing with the people that's in your league.
Man. Yeah, man.
This is where the Jimmy Spliffs came in and the newbies came in.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Anybody know. It makes sense. You see me? Because we are Bill. Remember, you know, One A Day is a new sound with a veteran selector now upon it where, you see me, the people know. And at the same time, then Polly forward off a LP if you go play One A Day. Something right. Something I go on over there, so. We need to know what I go on, because Polly now go left big bad LP. If you go take up one little sound, if you go struggle with it. They sound up to something. Yeah, man, so it's got musical thing called One A Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, all I did a laugh, you know, because I remember no 5 people never familiarized with One A Day. So everybody did a laugh and I say, yo, Polly, a fool. What kind of sound that him go pick up and rare? See me? When they hear me open the little dub box, the brother. Yeah, man, everybody stop chat. Yeah, all of them will say them butt and them rare. Them know, say, no, I don't play time. A serious time.
Crazy. Two dances I want to go through quickly with One A Day.
Yeah.
Which is, again, the Jimmy Spliff and the newbie.
Yeah.
Jimmy Spliff, where was that dance again?
Up Brampton.
Brampton. Okay, so the two, I didn't realize that the two dances were in Canada.
Yeah.
Tell me what happened at the Jimmy Spliff dancer.
Well, you see the dancing now reaching a point where, like me tell you already, brother, the people, them love Polly famous, you know. But at the same time, I show you something in the same predicament again, where it's like, Polly I rep Canada, but America I'm thing there. When I forget to me, I said that reached me on the dance and Jimmy Spliff was clever enough to turn that into the main settings of the dance and get it at the people and say, oh, I go like Polly a Canadian, no see him selling out and run left King Klepto. And left on and gone. Cause watch out, him go all a LP. And for him come back up to him go one next time, boy, I'm American. Yeah, man, Jimmy Spliff clever with that, man. He used that and him beat me with it, man. Yeah, man.
Crazy.
Yeah, man, him beat me with it, brother.
The Rebel Tone dance there, because this is the trick with it. Before you even went to LP, you and Newbies always had a love-hate relationship where you guys are from the same place, yes, St. Mary. This week, everything's good. Next week, nothing's good. Week after, okay, we're all right. Fourth week, we're good. You guys have always been like that from day one. You understand? So then now, you bucked him on One A Day.
Yeah.
Okay? Because clearly, I guess Puma wouldn't have took that dance on LP.
Yeah, it wouldn't make sense.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm not sure why it didn't happen on Klepto. So then, okay, here's now One A Day, and here's Newbie. This is a one-on-one. What happened there?
Wicked dance. Because you don't know. When I say Newbie, one of the best boy I've ever do it. You see me I say?
That's why I rate you, Polly.
Yeah, one of the best to do it, brother. Newbie, big up yourself and you're the youth. You see me? Don't put the music aside. The man there, general in our city. You see me? The man there put the place on him up, so I have to respect that. You see me? All right? Put with no background the sound. You's a pussy. You's a bitch. You see me? Cry like a bitch. You see me? I say, yeah, you're dead. You get to me? I say, so. You know the little vibes you know. Me and Newbie things there. Everybody knows saying Polly and Newbie buck up in any dance. Problem I go there night dance. Nah go be no. It can't just done nice. Cause one away, I feel left that dance and feel like we're the man.
Yeah.
So anytime Polly and Newbie buck up a problem, brother. And that was basically what one know with the one idea versus Rebel Tone dance. That was a dance where the settlement of the argument. Which one are we bother? You see me? From Canada to St. Mary, so we should know we bother. Because you have a whole lot of man in front of you that link me and I say, yo, can't make the boy new be killing in the dark, you can't come back around here, you know. And they might tell me the same thing. You see me and says, anyway, dance kick off, brethren. Dance, dance, rum up and dance kick off. Here comes a thing called Rebel Tone play first. Me when it ask me, tell him, say, yo, you're first. You see me, because you're a warm up sound. Come warm up a dance. He my style like that. Anyway, you know Newbie style already, you know. Him just decide say, yo, I kill him, I go kill the boy named Polly, you know. But him try them little stunt net to try the whole Polly sell out and all that thing try still, but what you think you know. Anyway, the dance start off. Newbie play first. Wicked, yo, the man play one first round in the bad man, but me have to change up the man be change up the whole of my first round juggling, brother. Normally me no nervous when man I play first round, dog. And the man play him first round, me nervous. Come here, say to me, say, nah, man, Newbie has some song I don't know about. Come can't play so in first round. When you forget to me, I say, brother, me I expect the man to play too Far East and some Taxi and brother. Them go out like that. Me never ask you nothing where you
First round.
Yo, the man play with Tyrus Riley in a dance, brother. Yo, you see the boy the Tyrus Riley are wicked. Yo. The man no call me name that song, you know. But yo, you see the man do the song. All me granny in her grave that knows what I'm talk about. Brother, the man say, yo, you think you can take Canada people and fi heed that you're wrong. You run left at the sound and then you got that the one. Hey, brother, don't come back. Yo, muscle.
Yeah.
Yo, when the man play all that, I say to my selector, I say, yo, what you do? You have a laptop lock? Open the laptop, dog.
Yeah.
Well, you hear me catch him in the first round? No. Then by no. In gun for the first round, you know. Because I dance, if me win one, if it been by tune for tune, I play or lock off, you know. So in gun for the first round, make up your mind, say, yo, I go on. I catch the first round from them. But me decide, say, yo, nah, I can get to the first round. First round is very important to me.
You set the pace of the dance.
Yeah, man. I said first round is very important to me. So watch how you will beat Newbie still, you know. When him play, the dance never the ram up. And if you get to me, I said to you. So you're saying one of the play now, the dance ram.
They don't really know what happened before.
Them not get what one in the first. So you see them little people in the dance when they play the first round and jump on and say, yo, Newbie go with the first round. You can't tell the people that pay the money and come in here a while ago. And one of them come here a play. I mean, me start off easy and calm. Because I remember them just shell it down, you know, I don't have time. I take my time. Because I remember, I know, say, you see, the last 10 minutes, it I go really count for the round. Yeah. So you see, I catch a 10-minute mark now. I put on the blood clot beating upon him in a 10-minute mark now. Lift up a dance. So it's when voting time come and they say, oh, win first round. Everybody, I just look up people in there when Newbie play all the man for Newbie. So everybody so pay and come in at that time. Yeah. And 2 in a year, so Newbie start ball right there. So, ooh. Rap my first round, right, brother? You got the weakness right there, so now. Say people are like, that's just that.
And again, they weren't here earlier to really understand what he was trying to tell them.
Yes, Virgin. So like we are talking about the sense bad man. So that threw him off of him game, right? That's a bad man. It's like him can't believe him lose the first round. So the whole thing now is like him a play but him a cuss. Instead of him focus back on the dance and know say yo I go on bad man. The boy have to go dead the second round and him every 3 or 4 song him play without I'm me with the first round and so you win the first round and we just vote a while ago. You know, see the whole people them hand go up in a ear and right there. And brother, I said for him, you know, the second round there, you know, I cut out a thing when him Itsy Bitsy Spider, you know. Yeah man, I go for the Itsy, because I remember, you know, Newbies and Mama's boy, you know. Always a chat about mama this and mama that and mama rest. So me I say, alright, no worry, everybody knows say you're mama's boy. Me I go show them how much you is a mama's boy. So me I tell them, say, yo people, you said me I go to my bed at night time, me kiss my woman good night, you know. Then I go in my room, in the pit them room and kiss them good night, you know. Yes, when newbie I go to bed at night time. You know why your son between him and his mother. Itsy bitsy spider come up. Brother. The whole of him run last already, you know. I mean not play no song yet, you know. I just sit on me download off of YouTube, me just play a while ago and the dance done, you know. Because even me get a girl for say, newbie mother talk to me, good night, Dwayne. And then me coming with my voice I talk like newbie. I love you, mommy. It's a bit, yeah, what I said, man. Kick out the whole line teeth second round again. So remember it's a 2 round me going with, you know. Anybody win 3 round, I lock off, you know. And this me I got talk about now. Ranger, big up yourself, but me have to talk this, brother. You see the rhythm there? Your uncle make it popular in Canada, brother. Bottom and top rhythm, brother. Polly famous make it popular across the world, my general. No disrespect to you. Cause watch out. Mostly don't tell me if I'm wrong. When a sound bust a rhythm, what happen? You know what happen? You want me tell you what happen?
What happened?
Everybody and them woman go vice on the rhythm.
That's why you bust it.
So watch out now. Ranger play the rhythm for the longest time. Nobody never vice on the rhythm. Remember this Ranger stop vice on the rhythm too. Him have the rhythm as the man them rhythm in Canada, but him stop vice on the rhythm. Polly famous. A Ranger make me take up the rhythm. A Rootsman, why me vice on the rhythm? Because when me did the America, me afford the way I come clash newbie, me I tell the man, them say, yo, me need a rhythm, you know. I mean, I think about a rhythm, I say, blood cleat. The rhythm, the Ranger play with a wicked. So when me do the rhythm now, me up the tempo on the rhythm now, Bridget.
Okay.
Me put the popcorn family on it. Me put the chronics, I don't know if them are going to like you on it. When I forget how me deal with the rhythm now, I me put around 10 more vard up on it. Yeah, man, I'd lock off Rebel Toad, man. Lock him off in there, man. He couldn't come back, man. Yeah, man, after the rhythm playing, I dance, he couldn't come back, man. Say, cause one bag of controversy, you know, after everybody start running for the rhythm now. And I say, Polly, rhythm. But really and truly, like me say, I give credit to Ranger for the rhythm. But like me tell him, I say, brother, you know, bust the rhythm worldwide. They bust the rhythm in Canada. Because if you bust the rhythm, remember you played the rhythm from 2000, maybe around 5, 6. But never vice man it. But as
That's
soon
the
as Polly
Michael Prophet.
Yeah. But as soon as Polly play upon the rhythm, bad man, everybody start vice upon the rhythm. So basically, me go take me credit for the rhythm and my rhythm. Your rhythm in Toronto. Polly famous rhythm worldwide. Simple.
Got you.
Yeah.
You know what? That's one a day. You brought up a name. Let's just get to it.
Yeah.
Will we ever see a King Klepto versus Rootsman 1-on-1 in Toronto?
Them say them not played me, brother. In a clash.
Why not?
I don't know any brother. The man them say them ban me, no brother. I don't know why, no. But I say, yo, Canada sound of me, no. I don't think you're going to see no clash really and truly with me and the Canada sound, them, brother. For some reason, I don't know that. It's like the man them not just know. The man doesn't want me if he kill them or what. I'm not afraid if them kill me, but I guess if me kill them, dog, it just go way up on them like them, you see me? And worse like when me kill all newbie dog, them don't want the same treatment, brother.
So you, okay. Are you willing to clash Rootsman 1-on-1 in Canada?
Oh.
You.
How we talk about, man? I clash anybody 1-on-1 in Canada, man. A King Klepto Polly famous this in the brother. I'm not take chat, I'm not afraid in the brother. Remember in the dog, me are the bravest Canadian in the dog. Me are the bravest moose boy, I know. Remember, you know, me are the bravest moose, you know.
The moose.
Yeah, when them boy they come here and talk tough in and everybody else lift up them record box and rally around them, you know. Polly famous a defending place, you know. What you think of me make my name? By being a yes man, I'm a yes man, brother. So if a man lick me tomorrow man and say you want to dance a clash with Rootsman and King Klepto and have them money, dog, I'm ready.
Always wondered that. Always wondered that.
But you see the thing with me and Rootsman now, so me and them are family in a way, like me and them par.
Yeah.
So it's like to re-enjoy I say, yo, that don't make no sense. But me I say, brother, for the fans.
But remember when Jaro and Travelers...
All right, come on, man.
Remember
Jaro
when...
4x4. Before Travelers, bro. Chupa cut the whole of 4x4 song, them, brother. Everywhere play, man, them play. And... But like me I try to tell us, mostly the music thing set away with it, the rivalry thing. The man them know that, brother. Everything is personal, the man them, bridging. The love, the fun I know in our music again. As a man says something is like, a man feel like you disrespect him. When basically, really and truly, you just try to build a rivalry, dog, and for the fans.
I think that would be a epic, interesting bloodbath. Rootsman, King Klepto, POLLY versus Ranger. One-on-one, no referee, no judge, no put up your hand, no nothing.
Yeah, man, play till the lock off, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, play till the lock off.
You see, because right now we're in the middle of a pandemic, probably when we free up, a lot of people might think different. And I'm pretty sure that clash might happen sometime sooner rather than later.
I know, man, the man them different still, you know, I can't tell you this, you know, brother. The man, a matter of fact, me link Rootsman for clash them. Matter of fact, me link Rootsman, me play them, me play LP for clash them. Matter of fact, when I play Klepto back in 9 days, me link them for a clash. And them say no. Then me link them when me play LP. And the man them said no. You see me, I say me link them, me play one a day. And the man them said them ban me. The man them said them all a meeting, and they will never give me play with me in no clash. Yeah, man, the boy ran this side, brother. And him and the management. So, but I tell them, just get it out there. The man them say me and them now clash, brother. So, where Rootsman is go and play alongside this, me I say.
That's news to me right now,
Yeah,
big boss.
brother. There's a couple of them stay, man.
Listen, this conversation has been crazy. There's so much that you talked about, and there's still so much more.
Man, yeah, man.
But
we don't start talking most.
but listen, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna give them this part here, and then we're gonna link
yeah, man.
again.
Yeah, man. Further down, man. Yeah, man. Cause a long time what they are all reason, you know. POLLY famous, you know, man. A new legend, you know, man. I don't know chatting, you know, brother.
Got 2 questions before I get you out of here.
Yeah.
The new When I Play No More Jack Cure.
Yeah.
How did you come up with that song there? 'Cause when I seen you play it, boss, everywhere you play that song, the whole place, all you see is fire, 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 fire. How did you come up with that?
Yeah, we go on, Bridget. Honestly, you know, say, you know, I come up with the song there. You know, say LP live, I come up with the song there.
Yeah.
Because a man play a Jack over there, I see Puma tell him, say, yo, don't play no more Jack here,
Yeah.
brother. Lock your thing and come out. You see me? Not Jack here, not playing that, so I want to do. Yeah, man. So I pray that I laugh at that, I say, yeah, man. Because you see Jack here, no, brother, sometimes he take things too personal when he come out to sound, man, brother. And if you know, say, yo, brother, we can't ban you, you know me, that. Yeah, man, we have powers like that, man. Kind of idea. No matter how them chat tough artists go like them wicked, brother. Them need to look at double plate money, dog. You work wonders for them. You don't care what them want to say.
Especially right now.
What you talk about? And remember, you know, artists have an entourage feed, you know, brother. A dub plate.
That's where the dub plate money.
And the what bag of girl them what them have in a
Dub plate money.
You mean? Because like we don't know this, brother. So
Stage
man,
show, that's
yeah,
for
man.
their
Yeah,
stuff.
man. So nobody go on like we don't can trick we like we don't know. We don't need it, man. But you see me, so sound man, we have powers to, brother. Remember, man, we just not use it. So sometimes some artists are going them hype. If they want to unite, man, we are talking about. So the artist is dead for younger, man.
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Last question here for you. And this is a bit back to LP. Looking back on the whole LP journey and stuff, do you regret the decision that you made leaving then, or do you think you could have done it better, or you figured your time was up then? What's your real thoughts behind that LP situation?
You know, so I have no regrets. And reason to be, Bridget. I learned so many things from playing LP sound will make me the person I am right now. Because me I tell you, this is the POLLY famous from King Klepto back in the days where everybody know. Because everybody can tell you. I one sound POLLY play good. And a King Klepto. Everybody see that. I don't need to hide it. I one sound POLLY play and him put him heart in it and everything in it and a King Klepto.
Because that's your little baby that you've seen grow.
Yeah, man. And me boss King Klepto sound, you know, man. Like, remember, you know, half of them man are chatting and never boss a sound, you know. Because it's when them man understand. Half of them man think them boss them sound because them get too look at dance and go out the road, you know. Brother, my boss my sound, you know. I when I say boss them base mean globally, you know, bad man. When the world I talk about King Klepto, I not even know, you know. Brother, me they all place and me all and Japanese people walk up to me and I say to me, say, you King Klepto. One of the me I play. You understand me? I celebrate and I say to me, say what? I so me like me I tell a man this bad man. You see me? So then at the day, Bridget, to all now, brother, to all me can play sound right now, if I never feel LP, I would have top play sound long time. But the journey, I learned so much things over the Bridget, especially from Puma and Killamanjaro. You see me? I say so, like me say, hats off to them always. You see me? I say, and me I tell you, LP help me to be the person I am right now and how the world are going. Because you don't know, but they have to terrorize it, bad man. You see me? I say, all right, now I feel like I find back my farm, bad man. You see me?
I see that.
Yeah,
right now,
yeah,
you're hot right now,
Yeah,
boss.
man. You're not top farm.
In the middle of a pandemic.
Yeah, man.
How is somebody hot in the middle of a pandemic, boss?
So for them to understand that, you know. Because you know them though, them take the internet for granted. And them beat them bad talk the internet because nobody now follow them.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Them go up on them live more time and 3 people upon it. You see me? Polly must go up on live, the people them roll out because guess what? Me I do something with them want to see.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? How much people link me for date already? Worldwide. Tours, span top a tour for become tour so. That's how we get on the place to open up back. And why you think it happen?
Internet, boss.
Of course, because I'm there, bro. Them see me every day. In a them face. Like,
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yeah, bro. Enough people has to me say, yo, then dog. I so Klepto did bad. Where them get the idea they from?
Internet.
Internet, bro, God. Me not know about audio on YouTube and nowhere, brother. But the people them can click on them phone. You think a boy if you have 800 or 900 people for your life? I sit down and for 4 hours. Matter of fact, I run my life from 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. And nobody not come off fire until me tell them, so yo, now hear me people, me I go on my bed. Don't lock you off. How much, in a these time where people attention span is so, what do I call it?
Short,
Bridget. I'm on just click on your life, you know, and I say, oh, what so? Click off. Somebody say what? Somebody what so? Somebody say what so? Somebody say what? Brother, them forward in on a Monday night and them lock into a thing when them juggle ugly. Polly famous and King Klepto over there with my friend them.
Tell them where they could check you out on social media.
You can find me a Polly famous new legend upon the IG or you can find me a new legend kitchen. You see me I say on the IG. And I don't know, you can find me. Well, I can't add no more friend on Facebook. So, you see me I say.
You hit the 5K.
Yeah, you just link me upon the IG. Polly famous over Instagram. Or you can link King Klepto sound same way. You see me? Yeah, man.
I don't even know what to say about this conversation. How crazy it's been, boss.
Yeah, man, we're not talking nothing, man. Because we're not even talking about all of these and one of the
Listen to me.
And what tour me go up on this day. We don't reach nowhere yet, so people, we have got to stay tuned, Bridget, because like Muscle tell you now, we are a real new legend, boy. We are history selector. Because we don't even talk about Canada. We never going on Canada. Enough so we take off our road, boy, to, you know, they never play back, you know, see selector them turn all dancer, you know, and them thing. Yeah, man, we never get into them thing, man, so. You see me?
I gotta say maximum respect for passing through, Polly.
Yeah, we are some, man.
You know what I mean?
Must let cooler, man.
But Dan.
Remember you play sound to you, remember one time you feel the raw type down a zone on that to you, brother. When I go like you feel like you get wet to you. I said that.
Listen, we could go into that zone 1 history because there's a lot of stuff that.
Yeah, man. A whole heap of things going around there, man.
Listen to me, inside and outside. Zone 1 was not a pretty place, boss.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. So,
you know what I mean?
Say, yeah, man. Enough. You hear that?
Yeah.
The end of the day is when me just try to get my point across is, brother. We there to build this, brother. We not there to tear it down. So you see, must let you do a good job.
Respect.
I appreciate what you do. I mean, I go wait till you're gone. If you tell us, I must let you know we love what you do and rate what you do. We love what you do right now. Respect what you do right now. And we want to be a part of what you do because you build the industry.
All right.
Big up yourself, brother.
Family, let me give you an outro and get you out of here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.